Hello everyone, how are you all? Good evening. So all of you have joined in. I've saw your messages or your comments. I'll just go through them. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so first of all, good evening to all of you who are joining for the final revision for maths, right? Okay, so how are you all? Let me know how you're feeling today. Great. Okay, I can see some comments already. Vishal waiting. Yes, bacha. Right on time, never late. Okay, Srinivas, hi sir, waiting. Somebody has asked me, sir, from 6 to when? Sir, 6 to when? Until unless you guys are having all doubts cleared, I'll be here only. To get relaxed, get comfortable. It's going to be a long session. Okay, also, sir, please send the 2024 solve paper PDF. Okay, bacha, we'll see what we can do. Okay, don't worry, we'll try. Hi sir. Acha, I have done a session, bacha, on that. Okay, please check. In the toppers answer review, please go ahead with that and check it out. Present sir, present Chandan. Hi Chandan, long time, you were not there for the last few sessions. Kriti, good evening sir. Sir, is this enough for MCQs? Bacha, nothing is enough, but I'm going to take a very good amount of MCQ today. I've also done an MCQ session. Okay, so you can go ahead and watch that as well. But live is about, look, as I said, you can see the name. Live is about bacha doubt session. Okay, so live doubt solving is what our goal is. First thing, I wanted to take some MCQ because I wanted to give some questions from my end as well. Okay, but MCQs are there. I've taken some subjective questions as well. So okay, sir, please send the PDF of the topper representation paper. See, bacha, we'll do whatever we can do. Okay, fine, we'll send it. So what else? Acha, one more thing, I request you guys. So since there are a lot of students in the live session today, please don't spam the folders. Okay, please ask for relevant questions and doubts, because I want to see all the questions, all your doubts. Okay, so integration, I'm scared for 3 marks, which is going to come mostly. Okay, or you will have options, leave it and do other questions. Didn't you watch my video where I said even without integration you can score 70 marks? Without integration you can score 70 marks. You can. Okay, if you want to score 80, of course you will have to put integration also there, but without integration you can also score very good marks, sir. Choose the other questions, no? Okay, so let's start. Sir, can you solve? Okay, a is equal to 22 minus 4, b is equal to find into solving y equal to y plus 2, 7x minus 7y equal to 3. Is it as, sir, please solve previous year question papers. Okay. Arey, haven't I done all the questions on PYQs only? Pre-question papers, easy text star. Okay, chaliye, I can see a lot of people, students are live here. So shall I start the session now? So let's start the session. Come on. So first of all, yes, let's start. Ankush, everybody is saying let's start. We are starting the session right away. So what I have planned today, no? So I'll go through the important chapters formulas. Not all the chapters that are already given to you. Important I'll discuss for you. Then I will be taking your doubts. If you don't have doubt right away, what I'm going to do is solve the questions with, again, MCQ plus doubts. Next you have 5 marker plus doubt. Okay. So I hope you can see the session plan. Chaliye. Sir, will miscellaneous sums be there? Mostly we have not seen it, but some questions, especially in the case of your integrals, in the case of matrices, questions can be there from there as well. Okay, so let's check here. Second, PUC Maths. Acha, one more thing, for who all are not watching the sessions of mine regularly, what you can do is I've done all the sessions. You can see here 1 marker 1 shot, 2 3 marker 1 shot, 5 marker 1 shot, model paper 1 2 3. I would recommend watch model paper 1 2. It's a very good paper. Okay, model paper 3 I would say not that relevant, but yes, question can come from there as well. But model paper 1 and 2 my personal favorites. Please watch it. Okay, maths 1808 study strategy is there. Complete revision 1 shot I've done, right? Live complete revision I'm doing right now. Okay, and maths topper answer sheet. So all the sessions are here. You can enjoy. MCQ, please. We'll do that. Don't worry. Chaliye, let's move on. So as you see, as I said, I'll take up some. So now I would like to explain some formulas first. Okay, so just allow me to do that. So what we have over here in continuity and differentiability, bacha, what happens now? You have to start from your formulas of continuity. Questions comes from that. 4 marker question can come. Okay, all of you who are asking 4 marker, 5 marker, one question can be asked in continuity question. Okay, they'll give you a question, they'll give you a critical point, ask for continuity problems. Okay, so please give attention to that. So today Kannada paper is of completely model paper only. That's why we solved all the papers, no? All the papers without fail. Chaliye. So I hope all went good. Mandar, Shugandhi. Okay. So what we have over here. I'm new to channel, bacha. Welcome, Yashwant. Don't worry. Sir, 2 marker. 2 marker questions also done, bacha. Have you not seen this sessions? I've given you this. Please check. 2 3 marker question 1 shot I've done. Please go ahead and watch the session. Okay. Okay. So we have here, how do you solve this, sir? Find the left hand limit and then check for the values at the function's point. Okay. Yes. Is it fine if I leave miscellaneous? I'll tell you what, right now you cannot go ahead and solve all the questions of NCERT. If you're solving NCERT, no, refer only solved examples. Only solved example is good enough right now for this point of time. You have only 1 day gap, bacha. What you can do? 1 day gap, only solved examples, and rest you can follow my sessions questions. Okay. You can follow the model paper. You can follow the PYQs. That's more than enough. Okay. Chali. So what we have for differentiability, same thing, sir. From the first principle, we have to know the derivative. We don't use it that much, so don't focus on this. If you're not very good in this part, it's all right. Focus on the LHD, RHD, when you can define the function like this. Let's say I have a function which is defined at this point, x greater than equal to a and x less than a. You have the function definition over here, right? You find the derivative of this. Let's say this derivative is coming as 1, this is coming as -1. What are you going to get? Not equal, no? So you'll say here LHD not equal to RHD. Hence we can say what, sir? Non-differentiable. Okay. Chaliye. So I can see a lot of questions are there. So let me just take all of your questions. Sir, if I do all 3 model question papers, can I get above? Bacha, why you ask this question? Think about it. Just think logically. If you are taking the examination, you give 3 question papers and somebody solves all the 3, not studying whole year, okay, or not giving proper attention whole year. Should they get 75 plus? No. But if you are somebody who has studied the whole year and solved the paper, of course you can get 75 plus, no? So answer should be logical, okay? If somebody is saying, no, solve these 3 questions, solve these 3 papers, you get 80 marks. That's the wrong way to go, bacha. Don't fall in the trap like this, okay? Chaliye. Sangeeta, I hope I cleared your doubt. Sir, how to solve integration MCQ in part 2A? Acha, for that, I have told you every time. This is question from Kareem is asking this question. Sir, how to solve integration MCQ in part A? But in integration, no. If you know the formula wala part, you know the formulas of all the questions. Also, if you know the substitution wala question, means in integration they'll ask you either direct formula based question or they'll ask you substitution using question. If you can do both of the category, you will be good to go there. Okay, please check. I hope I answered question. Sir, studied whole year. Very good, Bharat. Then you can score 875 plus easily. Very good. Proud of you. Okay, so, fill ups, please. Sir, should study AOD? Yes, of course. AOD, rate of change question can come. I've taken questions over here as well. Maximum minimum question can come. Differential questions, Heli, Artha, Agathila, particular solution. We'll do that, bacha. I've taken question on that as well. Don't worry. Okay. But to something missing. Sir, is the final answer is wrong, but the method is correct. I will get marks. Of course. This is question from Zul Norain Butler. Okay. Yes, bacha, you'll get step marking. Okay. But not in MCQ. Not in MCQ, of course. You'll get in section B, C, D, E. Step marking is there. Okay. Sir, let's start. Okay. Fine. So we have AOD. What is the first category, bacha, in AOD? So first category in AOD is, sir, you have rate of change problems. Again, I would say in this part, what is very, very important, that volume wala questions, okay? Volume change with, there are 2 functions in this part as well, with, when you find dv by dr, that is easier actually. This is easier, no? Let's say they're given for cone or they're given for your sphere, okay? So you'll find this dv of dr upon with 4 by 3 pi rq. This is for sphere. Okay, balloon wala question, right? This is a balloon problem. So this is how you do it. It will be simply coming as 4 pi r square, isn't it? But if they're asking to find, this is one category. Second category is which are dv by dt. dv by dt. What you do in this part? You write it as, please check, you write it as, it'll become, sir, of course, dv by dr times of dr by dt. dr by dt. You have to do with the help of chain rule actually. So that's how you solve it. Please check. So you get same thing, but you'll have result like this: 4 pi r square dr by dt. Won't you all agree? This is 2 problems that you have in case of rate of change. Again, one more thing is there, when they give you both the values. Second category is when they give you dx by dt or they give you dy by dt as well. These values are given to you, okay, and you have to use for the parameter. Please check times of 2. These kind of questions are there. Okay, so let's move on. Now. Next part is decreasing function. For this, what you have to do, bacha? Of course, find the derivative first. First step is to find the derivative. Next, what? Put it equal to 0 to find what, sir? Critical points. And after this, what you do after this, what you do, you find the what you call the nature of the derivative. If greater than 0 means, let's say this is C is the critical point. Greater than 0 means increasing in nature, and if you have f dash of C less than 0 means decreasing in nature. Okay, all right. So integration by parts. Yes, sir, I have studied all the chapter, but integration and differential, sir, can I get good marks? Yes, don't worry, I'll discuss everything in detail. Just have a little patience, okay? Chaliye. So if you want to solve the questions, I can do that as well. Check this out, maximum, minimum, what we can do over here, sir. I'll tell you what, if you know both the test, very good for us, extremely good for us. If you know this as well, good. But I'll tell you, use this one. Easier to go, no? Find till this point is same. First derivative to find out, put equal to 0, find the critical points, those points of x, c1, c2 like this. And then what you do? From here, find the second derivative and check the nature. If it is coming as positive means local minima, negative means local maxima. Negative means local maxima, right? Okay. Sir, MCQs. Alright, bacha. So in the integration now what we have is, please check. I'll do MCQs. I've taken a lot of MCQs, don't worry, from all the chapters. We'll discuss it. Just have a little patience. Okay. Sir, for relation and functions, for 5-mark question, 1 and 1 to function can come? Yes, bacha, that can come. Actually, just try for different functions. Try for a function with the modulus, function with the square function is there, cubic function is there, linear function is there. All of them you try. Okay. Chaliye. Please explain these increase and decreasing briefly, please. Okay. For example, so there was somebody's asking this question. We have over here Mandar. Briefly, I can explain this to you. How would you say that? For example, let's say I take a function like this. I've taken an example over here. I'll show you this to you. A log of sin x was there. Remember this question? Log of sin x was there. Or you can take log of cos x also. Log of cos x as well. Differentiate this. If this is a function, know what will happen to y dash? It will become 1 by cos x times minus sin x, no? Which will turn out to be minus tan x. Okay. So how do you check the nature of this function? You look for the graph. You look for the graph of tan. Wherever tan is negative, no? Wherever tan is negative, it will become positive. You'll have increasing in nature. Whenever tan is negative, this whole thing will become minus tan, no? So positive, you'll have the function f as increasing in nature. Okay, chaliye. Okay, chaliye. So we have this as well. Now we'll move on now. Give me 1 second. Sir, integration by parts. Yes, Hers, don't worry. I have everything for you. You have to have little patience. You're not leaving anywhere. Okay, from here. Do one thing. Just get comfortable. We'll just solve the go through all the formulas and then quickly move on to MCQs and your doubts. Okay, chaliye. Sir, what is the duration of the video? Bacha, if you guys have doubts, it will go longer. As I said, I will not leave until unless all of you are here. There's no duration as limit, but minimum 2 hours it can go. 1.5 hours to 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I'll be here for sure. Okay. So integrals, please check. Basic formulas are there. You have to know this is a must. I hope you know this by now. Anyway, so how to know if the modulus function is continuous and differentiable and other also types of function are greatest integer function. Okay. So, bacha, first of all, modulus function is always continuous, no? Think about it. Modulus function has only one problem is that they're having a sharp corner. Otherwise, always continuous, isn't it? Always continuous. Okay. What about differentiable functions? So, because there is a presence of sharp corners, you cannot call it to be differentiable, no? Think about it. If I take this graph, only the left hand side part, what is the slope here? This slope is having obtuse angle. So, negative slope. They have a negative slope. Means derivative is negative over here. Okay. And on this side, if you take this part of the curve, please check the slope here. Acute angle. So we have here positive slope, sir. We have here positive slope. What happens? Can this and this be equal, sir? No. Since the derivative is not equal, no, we call this function to be non-differentiable. Okay. I hope this helps. Sir, if I see the whole slide, can I skip the on-shot revision video? But I would suggest you to not. Okay. Because I've done a lot of questions there. I've done a lot of questions in the one-shot video. Please go ahead and watch the session. Okay, I would ask you to tomorrow morning make some time and watch the session. Okay, this is for your doubts. I am here to make you revise the formulas and doubts, and I wanted to do some MCQs because I felt some more should be done. You guys were asking in the live session, no? Sir, MCQs having problem, integration having problem. That's why I've taken those questions. The session was only supposed to be for your doubt discussion. I'm taking your doubts, right? That's what I'm going to do. Chaliye. Sir, for linear function example, mx plus c, does the function is always 1, 1 and all 2? Yes. No, okay, one more thing. If you give a constraint on the domain and range, like n to n, if you write n to n, then things might change. I'll tell you why. Because what will happen? No, not for every value of y, x will come out as natural number. Remember this? For example, if I take y equals to, let's say, 2x. Y equal to 2x. If you take bacha, from here if you take x as y by 2 and take y as simply 3. So Lohit is asking this question. If I take y as 3, Lohit, will x be a natural number? Answer me, Lohit. If I take y as 3, will x be a natural number? It will become 1.5. Not natural number anymore. It means domain and range has to be checked. But if it is all real, then yes, it is 1, 1 on 2. So if I'll change your question. For any linear function, if the domain and codomain is all real, it is a 1, 1 on 2 function. Okay. So I hope I answered your question, sir. Local maxima, local minima are same as maxima and minimum. Yes, bacha. Until unless it is written as this question is from Srinivas. Until unless they say absolute maxima, absolute minima, then there is a difference. Otherwise, local maxima, minimum, or local minima and local maxima and maximum, and local minima and minimum is the same thing. Okay. All right. So let's move on. Let's move on now from here. What we have, for all of you, okay, who are preparing for KCET examination, we are here with a very beautifully designed KCET test series. So please make sure that you have enrolled into it. What you can do right away is enroll for your free trial, okay, which you can get for 0 rupees. You get 4 part tests in that, one for physics, chemistry, and bio and maths, 60 questions each. You get PDF solutions, you get your video solutions as well. And apart from that, from 17th March, you'll have a full access to the 35 paid test, okay. In that you'll have full syllabus and chapter-wise tests as well. And detailed video solutions analysis, one-shot revision videos will also be there. So make sure that if you are somebody preparing for KCET examination, this should be there in your arsenal. It's a must, bacha. I'm telling you, with experience of 25 years plus at Diksha, we are here with the best test series available for all of you for the KCET journey. Okay. Chaliye. So Muhammad Riyan is asking, sir, how to learn miscellaneous problems? Bacha, it's a very, very brief, it's not a very two-point question. For example, what type of questions, from where the question is coming on, okay? Yes, of course, miscellaneous questions are a little bit above the normal level of the problems, okay? So, yes, it will be difficult to learn all of it, but where it is coming from, for example, in matrices, I can solve the questions on the square multiplication, cubic multiplication, and that will be easier only, no? Okay, sir, please explain vectors in 3D. Don't worry, bacha, we'll do that. Okay, don't worry. We have trigonometric integrals. You know all these formulas for sine, cos, sec square, cosec square. ITF is there, inverse trigonometric integrals. Okay, so have a look. Integration by parts. This all of you were asking. Integration by part. Here is it. Here it is, sir. Integration by part, please check. So what you do in this, no? Based upon this preference order that you have, eyelet rule that you have, okay? Again, first preference is given to the inverse, last is given to the exponential function. What you do is, you take, if I take this to be, let's say, function number 1 and function number 2, integral like this, okay? What I'm going to do, please check. I will keep the first function as it is, first function as it is, integrate second function, then comes a minus sign, integration of the product of first function's derivative, dash. So derivative times integration of the second function, Please check here, same thing, x e power x is there, no? My first function is, sir, x, second function is, sir, e power x. What I've done over here is, keeping x as it is, we integrated e power x, it will remain e power x only. There is a minus sign, please check, there's a minus sign. Differentiate the x, you get this as 1 actually, and ex will become e power x only. Integrate e power x, you'll get e power x itself. Have a look. Integrals weightage, bacha, it's around 17 to 18 marks. That is the weightage of integrals. Abhi is asking, what's up, sir Ananta, what's up? Okay, integrals by substitution. As I said, this will be very, very helpful in your MCQ. Somebody was asking, no, in MCQs how to solve, sir, integration questions, substitution. And how you solve it, sir? Look for derivatives. So you have to find the derivative presence. Okay, means in the given question, wherever you can find this derivative, no, that will become your what bacha? Your substitution. Please check. In this case, we have x square, no? We have x square. What's the derivative of x square, sir? Simply 2x. That's why x square becomes my derivative, substitution as t. Taking t as x square. Taking t as x square. Okay. Sir, probability 3 mark question, bacha. From there you can have a base theorem question. Okay, I have done the questions on man speaking truth, the child which is male and female. Okay, the questions of die problems. Okay, like die is thrown, those questions, and there's a prime number question. Okay, so those questions can be asked in 3 mark. I hope this helps. Mohammed Rehan Roshan. Okay, sir, probability. Okay, don't worry, bacha. We'll get to that everything. So I understand. I can feel in your chat box that you're very anxious. I don't know why. Okay, so just it's all right, sir. We have exams, sir, day after tomorrow. It's okay, bacha. If you're not calm, no, you will not get anything done. So just have a little patience. We'll do everything. I'll take your doubts. I will stay. What I said, until unless even one person is here, no, I'll not leave. I'll be here only. Okay, I'll take all of your doubts. Doesn't matter. Okay. So I studied all lessons and I have solved 6 model paper. Can I get 75 out of? Yes, more than 75. So you can get 78, 90. Sorry, 80. Forgive me, 80 you can get. Why not? Okay, I also got a very good marks in my 10th board. Okay, this is 12th. 12th I did not good that as good as 10th, but 10th I got very good marks. Okay, let's move on now. We have special integrals. So over here, what makes them important? No, their derivation can be asked. So just work on derivations as well. For example, for this part, what are you gonna take? We have to solve these questions using what? Help of substitution only. No. So over here you're gonna take x as sine theta, okay, and then change this derivative. Okay, it'll become cos over here. Same thing, bacha. Over here, you're gonna take x as, tan theta, sir. X as tan theta, sir. Yes, very easy derivations. Easy, not difficult. Easy only. Okay. What about this, bacha? This will become, sir. This will become by parts. You have to use here by parts. Please check. So partial fraction, actually not by parts. Partial fraction. So you have to use here partial fraction, okay? 1 by x minus a times x plus a, okay? So there are the formulas over here. Same list is given over here as well. Please check, okay? In this part you have to use x as a sec theta, x as a sec theta. I think given you already. Again by parts over here. Please check. So very important to go through all these forms, sir. Not sine theta, sir. It is correct. You see is right. Yes, bacha. Excuse me, sorry. Thank you, Mandar Sugandhi, for pointing it out. It's a sine theta. Yes, correct. Thank you. Sir, don't put us on time or we have many doubts. Bacha, don't worry. I'm here only. Any doubt you have, you ask, okay? Who's stopping you to ask any questions, sir? Exam would be easy. I'll say 70% of the paper will be easier only. 70 to 60% will be easier. I think 15% questions will be very difficult, can be very difficult, and rest all will be moderate, bacha. But 60% paper will be very easier, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead. This is done by partial fractions. So as I said, these are the most basic one. I think you can see questions also on this. We have done this, no? We had x plus 1 wala question, x plus 1 and x plus 2 wala question. With x, I think this integration was there, no? It's a PYQ, right? It's a PYQ. Remember this, a upon x plus 1 we used to do, and b upon x plus 2, this kind of question, right? Sir, MCQ, sir, they have put my account on timeout. Okay, I understand this, bacha. I don't know what it means. Account on timeout. MCQs are tough. Yes, but not all. No, I think integration might be tough. Sometimes AOD questions can be difficult, but not all of it. Okay, but yes, generally MCQs are tough because you don't get step marking there. That's why it's tough. Okay, you get it right, you get 1. You don't get it right, you get 0. All right. So what else we have, sir? MCQ. Sir, in LPP we get only graph, right, or MCQs. But actually only graph I think you can expect. MCQs are there, but not that much. If you see the PYQs, no, they've been asked couple of times, but not that regularly. So focus on the what you call. I'll tell you what, in LPP what you do is learn the definitions, like the definition of feasible region, coordinate points, okay, the optimal solutions. All these definitions are there, no? So learn those, and after that you can just solve a couple of questions in graph. That'll be more than enough. Okay. Sir, how to solve case 3 part? Case 3 part. I didn't get your bacha part question. I didn't understand. Study Sonu. Inverse trigonometric function ratio explain Madi. Okay, inverse trigonometric ratio. Acha, very good. So first of all, in that part, no, you have to focus on the domain and range. Okay, and the graphs also. Graphs was also very important. I'll get to that. I will get to that, don't worry. We have definite integral. I have taken that as well. Just give me a few minutes. In few minutes, we'll be covering all the formulas and understanding of the chapters. We'll start with the questions only. Okay. Sir, for LPP blueprint is only 6 mark. That is fixed of part E, right? No definition and all, right? But sir, usually that's what I'm saying. That's why I also am doing only questions on 6 marker. But if they are, let's say, asking. If they're asking one thing, what will happen? Okay, so if you can read, spend 10 minutes on the formulas, sorry, on the definitions, so how bad it could be. Okay, so sir, what is the difference between increase, decrease, or max min? But increase decreasing function is about like basically function's trend. Let's say if I draw the function like this, okay, so please check here. This is nothing but increasing part. This is the decreasing part. Here you can see here function trend is increasing. Here the function trend is decreasing. Now max mean means, please check this part over here. This part over here is your max point. Okay, and this part over here is your minimum point. I hope this clears your doubt. Okay, I hope this clears your doubt. I think this question was asked by, I forgot, bacha, Likhit. Okay, study Sonu, integrals by partial fraction, case 3 shown in the screen, sir. Okay, I got your part. Yeah, bacha, case 3, no, this is also there whenever you have, this kind of, denominator, which cannot be reducible, means cannot be factorized. You cannot make factors of it. The point is, cannot make factors of this, sir. Cannot be factorized. Okay, when you can't make that, no, then you have to use this kind of, variable form, ax plus b. Check here, this is a quadratic, no, that's why linear over here. This is quadratic, sir, that's why linear over here. Got my point? So I hope this helps. Study Sonu, very good question, bacha. I like that you are following the session so well. Very good, very good. Okay, sir, how to solve the statement questions in MCQ? Statement, yeah, I get it. So I'll tell you what, I've taken that question also over here. And whenever you see statement 1 true, statement 2 true, that'll be easier question. But if they ask you statement 1 and 2 is both true, that also option is given in the question, and statement 2 explains statement 1, then the question becomes very difficult. Okay, I've taken a question like this, I'll explain it to you. Okay, don't worry. So let's move on. Can we use tan inverse formulas in inverse trigonometric function? Tan inverse formula about bacha? Tan inverse of the integration formula, differentiation formula. What formula? Tan inverse of what? Tan inverse of what formula? I did not get your question, Shakuntala. Okay, so we have to move on now. Acha, these again very important, bacha, this derivations of these questions. I think I've done a lot of it. Yeah, these both very important. This is a derivation, right? So please do it. Can be asked for 6 mark. The optional to the LPP. Okay, derivation. Okay, do this question. Yes, what next we have? Area under the curve. In this, I said few points. Do the questions on, do the problems that you have on parabola. Second is circle. Okay, circle. We have ellipse, of course. We have ellipse, and we have also a straight line. Okay, and the combination of the first and last. They can also ask you a question like this. Okay, or like this. Okay, I've done those questions as well for you. Okay, I have some more doubts. Would matrix definition asked in MCQ? I would say what happens? No, they can ask you a scalar matrix. Okay, so I've taken those also questions like that. So yes, definitions of matrix is very important. Definition of matrix and basically properties of matrix and properties of a determinant question can be asked. So your question was from I forgot, run squad. Answer is yes, they can be asked. Okay, study Sonu, find the intervals in which function. Yes, I'll solve this question. I'll take a screenshot of this and I'll solve this question, bacha. Study Sonu, I'll solve it in the doubt section. Don't worry. Give me just 2 minutes. I'm about to complete the session. Okay, on the this thing. Mani Kanta sir, please solve y equal to e cos inverse. Y equal to e cos inverse what, bacha? Y equal to e cos inverse of what? Okay, I've got the questions, don't worry. Neha Venkatesh sir, is it okay if we didn't study integral chapter as it is too lengthy? Even if you've not studied, no, I would not recommend it. But even if you've not studied, you don't have time to start a new chapter right now. Can you start a new chapter right now? You cannot. This question is from Neha. You can't start a new chapter right now. That is that difficult. Okay, skip it and focus your energy on other things. Maximize your efforts in the other things and get good marks or all the marks in the other chapters. You'll be fine. Okay, so explain variable separable method of yes, Lohit, I will do that. Okay, yes, Lohit, I'll do that. Don't worry. Okay, so find the areas lying in the first quadrant, and this is the question that I was talking about. This was circle, right? Circle. Okay, you have to draw it like this, remember? Okay, please check. Find the area of this. No, this will be 0.2, this will be 0.0. Okay, and you have to integrate this from where to where, bacha? This is the function y. Write this y as, please check, root of 4 minus x square. Integrate this from where to where? From 0 to 2. Please check. Okay, so yes, now I'll take some questions. I think I can see one of them. There was a y equal to this question, y equals to I had x square e power minus x. X square e power minus x, right? I can solve this question over here. I have some space. Okay, study Sonu. Okay, I don't know what Manikanta, you have to type your question better, bacha. Can't read that. Okay, so explain differential equation. I'll do that. Lohit, I'll explain everything, bacha, don't worry. Okay, so what we have here, how can you make this derivative of this? You can take, bacha, it'll become, keep this 2x times of e power minus x you get over here, and plus sign will come, e power minus x is as it is. Okay, 1 second, not as it is. We'll keep x square as it is, no? We'll keep x square as it is. We'll keep x square as it is. So it'll become e power minus x times of minus 1 will come. Okay, so what I have so far is basically e power minus x is common and also x is common. So I get here 2 minus, what is left over here? Please check, x. Correct, no? I've taken e power x common, I've taken one of the x also is common. So only what I have left over is 2. What I have left over here is 2, and over here I have only x left with a minus sign. So please check, I can take this minus sign outside, it will become minus x e power minus x and x minus 2. Put it equal to 0, bacha, you get x as 2. X as 2 and also 0. From where, sir? 2 from here and 0 from here. Check here, x is 0, no? So I can make this 0 by making this x as 0, or I can make this whole thing 0 by making this x as 2. Okay, so we get 0 and 2. What about this, bacha? This is a non-zero function. E power minus x is a non-zero function. Okay, e power minus x is a non-zero function. Please check. So what you do in this is, if you take the graph of this, no, it'll go like this. Okay, so you have two critical points. Please check, 0 and 2. What is the sign over here on the right side? The coefficient is, bacha, what? Minus sign, negative. Put here minus, plus, minus. What do you want? Increasing, right? You ask for increasing. So it will become, sir, 0 to 2. Okay, please check, 0 to 2. Increasing. If you want strictly, then open. If you want increasing, then close it. If you want increasing, there's a different answer. If you want increasing, then close it. This is going to be strictly increasing. Strictly increasing, sir. Alright. So y is equal to e cos a cos inverse of x, so that 1 minus x square d is okay. I got it, point. I got it. I got the question. Don't worry. I got the question, Manikanta. I got the question. We'll do that. Okay. So I'll just keep the screenshot of this. Don't worry. I'll just keep the screenshot of this and solve this question. Okay. Chaliye. It is, I practice all lessons questions, but I am scared that I will forget what to do, sir. Please help. That will not happen. If you have practiced, you will not forget. Even if you forget, you'll forget for few seconds. When you panic, no, when you get anxious, this can happen. But you'll forget for only very small amount of time. Just keep calm. Take a deep breath. Okay, just let it go. Whatever you're getting scared, it's okay. And let's say it can happen to somebody, you know, at any point of time. Just be calm for few minutes. Okay, just let it go. When that phase passes, you'll again everything will come back to you. You cannot forget. I'm telling you, you cannot forget. If you've studied, means you cannot forget. You cannot forget. Don't worry. So this is the question from, sir, do LPP. Okay, bacha, I'll do LPP. Sir, do we get unbounded region graph? So usually they are not given in the PYQs. Okay. Hi, MCQs are you giving how, sir, it will come? So bacha, not, I can say that at least 50 to 60% should come. Okay. But I'm not saying that these questions will come. I'm saying this concept will be repeated. Okay. I'm not saying the questions will come. I'm saying the concept will be repeated. Okay. If you are here to see the question that is coming for boards, this will not work like that. I don't teach like that. Okay. So for me, efforts matter. For me, concepts matter, and that's why you're here. Okay. Chaliye. So not able to remember, Edwin, What do you not remember? If I ask you formula for something, you will not remember. What is the formula for, let's say I ask you derivative of cos inverse of x. Give me the answer for that without checking any place else. Formula for cos inverse of x, give me. Let's see if you remember or not. Okay, now somebody was asking differential equation. I am here with differential equation. Okay, in this, now in the questions of differential DE, what are there, bacha? First thing is on order and degree. In MCQ, let's say somebody asks no right now, so will this question come in exam? The same question might not come in the exam, but this question on this concept will come in the examination. That I can guarantee. Question on this concept will come in exam for sure, 100%. 1 mark is guaranteed if you can solve this question. Okay, what is that? If you know how to find order, if you know how to find degree of the differential equation, your answer will be 1 marker for you. Okay, how is that? So please check what is the highest for the given equation. The highest derivative is your order. Please check. The highest derivative is your order. Highest derivative is nothing but my order, bacha. Okay, and this thing's power, this whole thing's power, sir. Okay, index, basically index, sir, power. Okay, I'm talking about power. It will be your degree. It will be your degree, provided there's a condition over here, provided the function is only, polynomial function of derivative. Very important. Polynomial function of dy by dx. Polynomial function of derivative. If it is not, then degree will not exist. If it is not there, no, let's say this condition is not there, but what will happen? Degree will not exist. Degree does not exist. Order will be the same. Order will not change. I've taken question like that also. Order will remain unchanged, but degree will not exist. I hope this is clear. Okay. So somebody is asking, degree is not defined. In which case, bacha? Okay. Run squad is asking, whenever you have a question which does not involve, a polynomial function of derivative, means I can write here sine of dy by dx, e power dy by dx, cos or log of dy by dx. All the cases like this. Okay, whenever you have cases like this, what will happen? Degree is not defined. So I hope this is clear. Sir, can you show the formula of AOD chapter? AOD chapter, which maximum minimum you are asking. There's no formula as such. Okay, there's a concept here. So I think study zone is asking AOD chapter, which there's no formula involved. Formulas are, what is it? Application of derivative, right? So whatever you have learned, the formula and derivative same will be used over here. The concept, what is that concept? So concept of maximum minima is there. So find the derivative, find the critical points, okay, and then use that to identify your increasing and decreasing nature. So greater than 0 means positive, okay. But anyway, if you're asking, I'll show you. Don't worry. I will show you, sir, not let you go. Like that. Bachas are asking something. Just 1 second. Please check. This is the maximum. This is increasing decreasing function. Have a look. Study Sonu is asking. This is your increasing decreasing function, and this is your maximum minima. Okay. Let's go back now. Let us go back now. 1 second. Okay, so we are almost done with the session, don't worry. Now, bacha, the forms of variable differential method, this can also be asked. Okay, in 2 marker, 3 marker, they can ask this question. What is it? They'll give you a given integration, dv, and from there you have to separate the variables. Check here. All the x terms on one side, all the y terms on one side, and simply integrate. Simply integrate, okay. So it's a simple form of this. What is there, bacha? Please check. Now we have for LD, this is also very, very important. Extremely important topic. Can be asked in 5 marker. Can be asked in 5 marker. We have both the forms dy by dx and dx by dy. So please learn the questions on both of the kind. Okay. When the y is dependent and where x is dependent, px will become what? Your p, which will be used to find what? Your integrating factor. Okay. And this is your q, which will be part of your final answer. Okay. AY chapter. I just discussed, bacha. Sir, Ashu is saying something. Okay, yes, bacha, what? Tell me. Matrices now. The properties are listed over here. Row matrix, column matrix, when can call, we call that. Over here, what is very important is this one. Please check. And this also, transpose also. Very, very important. Symmetric matrix question can be asked. Skew symmetric matrix question can be also asked. Okay. When can we call a matrix, scalar matrix? Okay. Please check. Chaliye. What else are there? Okay. This is a transpose. Aij becomes, so your Aij becomes Aji for your transpose. Have a look. Okay. Operations. Only possible sum and difference if you have same order. You can add or subtract only when it is of the same order, right? Okay. Sir, third, which derivation, sir? Sir, third, which derivation? Sir, can you teach AOI the ones other than circle and ellipse? Okay. Alright, I think I've done a question on that, but I'll see some questions I can take. I'll do for you. Give me some time, sir. Please, DE. I just this bacha right now. DE I just did, right? Didn't I do it? Please check. Okay, I've taken question on that. So FW leader, don't worry. I've taken question on that. So from which concept of differential equation 5 marker may appear? LDE. That can be asked in LDE. Okay, so please check. Okay, let's start now. So what we have over here is MCQ. Let's start with the MCQ, bacha. You have been asking for it, no? So let's start MCQ. I'll get back to the sessions, these formulas once again. Don't worry. I'll start MCQ right now. Okay. So if you check, 1 second. Let me have a look. What is there? I kept some spaces for your doubts. I will come back to that. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yes. Your MCQ now. Starting your MCQ now. Is exam easy? Yes, FW leader. Before starting MCQ, sir, I'll take your doubts. What is there? Is exam easy? Yes. More of the less, 50 to 70% of questions will be easier only. If not 70, you can say 50-60 questions percent of the question will be easier. Rest all bacha can be again both moderate and difficult. I think 10-15% of the question will be difficult. That will be challenging yourself in the integration, in the continuity and differentiability, in the AOD. Okay. So any other doubts you have? Sir, x cube plus x square y plus xy square y x, okay, y cube. This is a doubt. Okay, we'll solve it, Aishu. We will solve it. Okay. Any other questions? I'll take a screenshot of this and I'll solve it. Don't worry. Let's start your first MCQ. Your first MCQ, bacha. Shall we begin the first MCQ? Happy birthday, sir. Okay. Okay, sir, please do a multiplication of matrix A of order 1 cross 3 and order 3 cross 1. We'll do it. Don't worry. You asked for it. We'll do it. Okay. So can you explain the line originating from OO in LPP? Okay. Fine. All we'll do that, bacha. We'll do that. Don't worry. Sir, all standard questions will come for theory. Theory no, because theory question can be asked no in your MCQs only, not in the problem solving, right? Do you think that? So how many derivations are important and which are they, please? Derivations, I would say derivations of vector 3D. Okay, like parallel, the line which is parallel to a given line and passing through a point, that vector is like is a MCQ, is a PYQ also. Then the question on section formula where derivation is there, that also is very important. It's a 3 marker but can be asked. Then there is a question coming on what do you call angle question can also be asked. Angle of a cube. It's not a derivation but it's a very good question. I've taken it over here. What about that? In the case of integrals, questions on particular functions, which is special integrals, and the questions on definite integral, both derivation can be asked. Okay. So let's start. First question, please check. MCQ number 1. Who's solving this? Sir, in probability also derivations there, sir, regarding independent events. Yes, they are there. Correct. They are there. When this is the condition, no? Remember? 1 second. I have to change the ink color. It was negative. It was black, sir. This one, bacha. Okay. Chaliye. Sir, will my concept be thorough if I watch the 1 mark question one shot? I think yes. It will be a very good session if you watch. I think I've done more than 100 questions. If you watch that, your concept will actually get better. Okay. And just if you learn every chapter, and watch the session, you are through for your MCQ. Okay. Chaliye. So I get the answers now. Now I am enjoying it. Please make sure that you're putting the question number as well. Okay. So question number I've not written over here, but see, we can make sure I'll write it over here right now. Question number 1. Okay, I'll give you question number. Option A, I'm getting the answer. Who is giving me option A as the answer? I want to take out their names. So option A is given by somebody gave answer as option A. Now they changed it. Olivia is saying option A. No. Option A is incorrect, bacha. Option B is right. Option B is right. Correct, no? Option B is right. How, sir? If you want to have the graphical approach, good for me, please check. This is the graph. 1 1 to is there, on 2 because all real, x belongs to all real, so clearly on 2. Yes, it's an onto function. Please check. So answer is, sir, for this first MCQ, please say how to find it through the graph by drawing horizontal line. I did it. Okay, B is right answer. Bacha. Please check. B is the correct answer. Let's move on now to the second question. So important questions in integrals. I've done it. Okay, I've done it in the 5 marker. I've done it in the top 50 MCQs. Okay, but if you want, we'll try to do it. We'll try what we can do. I'll give you some questions at the end also. I'm going to give you questions at the end as well. Don't worry. So be there with me, sir. For this first MCQ, okay, done. How can you say x belongs to R means it's on 2? Okay, good question. Think about it. Right here, y equals to x cube, right? What is x, bacha? Cube root of y. Cube root of y. Take value of any value of y you take. Negative, positive, anything you take. Y equals to, let's say you take -3. -3. What will happen to this number? Tell me. It will become cube root of -3. What is the answer going to be? Minus comes out. You have here cube root of 3. If this is this a real number? Yes, sir. Is this a real number? Yes, sir. It means if I take any y as real number, what will happen to x? Again, real number, no? It will be real number only. Please check. Both are real. Okay. Domain of fx, sine inverse of x. 2 is d. Yes. 2 is d. Correct. Okay. 2 is d. Right. Please check. Question number 2. Answer is d, bacha. All right. Let's move on now. I don't have to explain this question. I told you, yes, this question can be asked in examination. Okay, so please remember domain and range of your, of ITF. Okay. Sir, from relation and function MCQ, find number of equivalence. That can be also number of equivalence question. Bacha, what happens? No, they can ask you a question like this. Remember this question? I've done it for you. If I have 1, 2, let's say, and I have 2, 1. The set A is given like this. Let's say set A is given as 1, 2, and 3. They ask you what you can add to this to make it equivalent. Make it equivalent. What you can do, bacha, simply add 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. It will become the minimum number of elements can be added to this will become, to make it equivalence will be 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 3. That's all. If I have, let's say, only element as 1, 2, then it will become 1, 1, and 2, 2. Okay. Now what you are saying is that also has been done. I've done that question. I don't remember it exactly. Sir, is root minus barata in root minus bacha? That's not a square root, bacha. This question is coming from run squad. Square root of -1 is not real, but cube root of -1 is a real number, no? That's real. Okay. Sir, what may be the difficulty of examination? I would say maximum moderate, not very difficult. Not very difficult. But yeah, but don't expect it to be too easy. I am saying that questions in the entire paper, 60% of questions will be easier only. Okay, if you have learned the whole year, no? 60% of the questions will be easier only. Please check. MCQ on continuity. Okay, we'll do that. Range of sec inverse of x. Range of sec inverse of x. What is the answer, bacha? Please check and tell me the answer. Option is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Everyone. Question number 3. Answer for question number 3. Yes. Question number 3 answer is C. Question number 3 answer is C. Great. You can answer bacha only one time. I get your point. Okay. It's a direct answer. So direct answer for this question. No need of this effort in this particular question. What about this question, sir? What is the answer for fourth one? It's a PYQ as well, I think, right? Fourth one, it's a PYQ as well. Solve this question, fourth one. Come on. All of you. Question number 4. Meanwhile, I'll check your other comments. Okay. I'll go through it. Fourth is D. Is fourth coming as D? Hi, okay. Thank you. So fourth should not be D, but please check. No, tan inverse of 1, if I take tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of -1/2 if I take, plus sine inverse of -1/2 if I take, I'm getting here pi by 4, right? It will become plus pi minus cos inverse of 1/2, right? The formula is there. Cos inverse of minus x, remember this? Pi minus cos inverse of x. How about this, which will become minus sine inverse of 1/2, right? So what I'm getting now, pi by 4 plus pi minus pi by 3, and I have minus pi by 6. Okay, LCM will turn out to be 12, I think, right? 12 will become 3 pi plus 12 pi, please check, minus 4 pi and minus 2 pi. Okay, so what I have 15 minus 6, so 9 pi by 12, giving me 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. Have a look. Okay, please check. Okay, yes, have a look. Answer should be option B. Should be option B. Have a look. Yes. So derivation, I told you, okay, derivation should be bacha from your integration. Okay, we have on partial fractions, sorry, we have on particular functions, we have integration in the definite integral properties. Okay, those are very simple ones, but that is there. And then you can see probability derivation has not been asked that much. Okay, but you can solve some on the independent variables as students have mentioned over here. And also what you can do is solve derivation of your vector in 3D. Very important there. Okay, chaliye, let's move on now. Let's move on. So tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. Question number 5 now. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, I will name the important derivation. I'll name it. Okay, don't worry. Sir, you might feel silly, but how could you so fast tell that LCM is 12? Bacha, because you can see, the numbers was 3, 6 and I think 4, right? LCM means what? The number which is common multiple, the first multiple. That the table of here, 3 times 4 will be 12. Okay, you have 6 times of 2 will be again 12, and 4 times of 3 will be 12. This is your first common multiple, right? That's why list LCM came as 12. No problem, bacha, no silly, nothing is silly. Nothing is silly. You can ask any doubt that you want to. Okay, so 5, I'm getting the answer as B. Bacha, 5 answer is A. It's an excellent question. Very, very, very good question. Extremely good question. How do you solve it, sir? Please check. So I have tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x. How do you solve it, sir? Tan inverse cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 upon, you can write this as, please check, this one can be written like this, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Right? Have a look. Chaliye. Please solve from here. Try from this side. I hope you can get it from here. Please try. All right. Everyone. Yes, 5B now. No, 5A is the right answer. So which question from matrices is important in 5 marker? If you're asking this question right now, this was Sumedha Girdhar. Okay. So answer, if I'm taking a wrong name incorrectly, please forgive me for that. Okay. In matrices, you can ask bacha the question on multiplication. Okay. And the question actually on determinant, in finding inverse of the given. Basically finding the solution of the given linear equations in 3 variables with the help of inverse. That was very, very important. Okay, please check. So tan inverse is this. This will become, bacha, have a look, cos minus sin. So we have cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 times of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by, this will become a whole square, no, of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Please check. So I'm getting here this part and this part cancelled, right? Right or not? So I'll have this, please check, I'll have this as tan inverse of cos plus sin upon cos minus sin. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2, one second, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 divided by cos, bacha. All of you divide by cos. This is Appu. Hi Ashu. Should linear differential equation, bacha. I'll do a question on that. Don't worry, I've taken. This is not the end of the session. Why are you in a hurry? I'm here. I will do those questions. Okay, just follow what I'm doing right now. Okay, if you can do it very easily, very good. No, this will take few seconds to solve this question. Don't worry. What I'm getting here, divide everything by cos. Will become tan inverse of cos by cos will be 1. Sin by cos will be tan x by 2. Over here 1, this will become minus tan x by 2. Okay, please check. I can write this as tan inverse of 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2, okay, divided by 1 minus, nothing is there, no, I can multiply this with 1, right? I multiply this with 1, it will become 1 minus tan x by 2 times of tan pi by 4. From here you get the answer directly, tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Please check, that's your answer. That is your final answer, sir. This is your answer, no? Tan inverse of tan will be cancelled. Inverse function, this is your answer, sir. Option A is correct. So can we skip probability 2nd and 3 mark questions? Yes, of course, no. Because you have to solve only 6 questions, right? You can solve other questions. Your choice. Okay. LD, I'll solve LD, don't worry. 5A is correct. This is Appu Chandan. This is 3 mark question also, no, sir. This is 3 mark question also, no, sir. Oh, yeah, bacha. Correct. No, this question can be asked in 3 marks as well. Yes, very good. Okay, sir, skip probability. Is it okay? Bacha, yes. Right now, if you have skipped it, don't worry about it. Let's move on for the other things. Okay. Chaliye. Sir, my last question. Sir, question from Matrices is important. 1 in 5 mark. I told you that already. Okay. Great, sir. You might. Okay, fine. Very good. Chaliye, let's move on. Hi, Itachi. Let's move on now. So, question number 6 now. You guys are asking this, right? Statement based questions. Sir, how are you? I'm good. Thank you, Tanmay. Asu sir, what is asking? Sir, reply, sir. Asu is asking what question? Asu's question, where is Asu's question? I wanted to clear doubt in LPP. I'll do that, Asu. I'll do that, don't worry. What is your doubt? Just let me know. Sir, this is out of topic, but will you be continuing the KCET masterstroke after boards? Yes. Actually, few sessions will come in between as well. Let's say you're watching this. No, we'll continue, bacha. We'll continue for PU2 and PU1 both. That is going on, okay? And I'm telling you, if you are actually looking for preparing KCET properly, do one thing. There's a comment pinned in this video. Go ahead, check the KCET test series. Available right now for free for the free trial. Check it out, okay? So this is for, I think Sahana was asking this, okay? So guys, don't skip probability and vectors. It's damn easy. Correct. What I'm saying, no, if you have skipped something till date, if you skip something, no, what you can do is don't try that right now. Maintain energy for the strengths that you have. Okay, if you missed means if you try something new, what will happen? It'll confuse you, it will disturb you. If you're free with everything that you've done, you have already done completely everything other, then you can go for the probability. Okay, chaliye. Which model paper is follow up with annual examination? Sir, the probability 2 marker, 3 marker, independent base theorem. Yes, 6B. 6 is B. 6 is B. No. Chandan, I wish you were here. I would have beaten you right now. How is 6B? Please check, Chandan, your answer. I want the right answer from you. Chandan, give me the right answer. Come on. Tanmay is saying D. No, Tanmay. No. Okay. No, sir. How is it right, sir? Please check. So we have cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6, right? Correct? Okay, how are you going to solve this? So first part will be cos inverse of cos this. It will become cos of pi plus pi by 6. You can do that. You can apply 2 pi minus this also will be okay. Apply 2 pi minus 6. Okay, 2 pi minus pi by 6 will also be okay. Okay, please check. 2 pi minus pi by 6 is also correct. That one is also right. Write this angle over here like this. Okay, but I'm going to do this approach. It will become, so please check, cos inverse of cos pi plus pi by 6 will become, sir, minus cos pi by 6, which will give me, sir, cos inverse of minus, it will become pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 6, which will be nothing but pi minus pi by 6. How much is this? 5 pi by 6. So correct, no? How is it incorrect, bacha? This is right. This is correct, sir. 2. This also is right, sir. How can you say it's wrong? It's right only, no? So answer is option number C. 6, option number C is correct. Chandan, Tanmay, change your answers. Option C is correct. Gaurav is giving the right answer. Okay, Tanmay, now your answer is correct. Very good. Which model paper is following? Which I don't get your question. Okay, can we skip integration? If you have skipped so far, don't try right now. But if you have not studied, then don't try. But if you have studied, if you know that, do one thing, at least solve MCQ part from there. Okay, what ones? Substitution based questions and formula based questions. Okay, and also the questions coming in 5 marker, 6 marker, that is very easy actually. All of you were saying, right, very easy questions from special angles, or questions coming in, sorry, special angles, no, special functions, or what do you call your definite integrals. Please check. Okay, so let's move. Yes, Chandan, now it's right. What happened? Run squad, very good. Okay, Sahal, good one. Let's start. It's not a constant, no. Let's, without integrating, do one thing, differentiate it. Differentiate it, no. Homework is a constant, differentiate it with any variable. It will become 0. Not integrate, differentiate it. Okay. Chaliye. So we have this question now. Please check who's solving this problem. Property based question. Somebody was asking me, property based question is relevant or not, sir? Differential based questions are there, not? It is there. Acha, one more thing, I have taken all the questions from your question bank. Every question that I'm doing right now is from question bank given by your boards. Okay. Sir, please take my name, sir. Hi, Malika Arjun Gadad. Okay. Hi, Malika Arjun Gadad, right? Have I read it right? Chandan are saying 7C. Can parabola would come? Yes. Parabola questions like this can come, bacha. You have integration like this, okay, can come. Between this line, or I've done a question like this, I remember. So answer is C, he's saying. Correct. Chandan is back to the form. Okay, guys, don't get, don't feel bad. Chandan has been joining the classes for a long time. That's why I know his name. Others also has given me right answer. I can name them. So Aisha has given right answer. Giridhara, okay. Gaurav is 7A. Gaurav, what happened? Okay, 7A is wrong, bacha. We are looking for false. I want to kill you guys. False statement, not correct statement. Statement is false, sir. Looking for false statement. Chandan. Okay, Chandan is given right answer. Okay. Thank you, Rosh. Okay. So you're ignoring my question. Am I? Sorry, bacha. Sorry. As Piria, where is your question? Where's your question? I'll look for it. Okay. I could not find it. Can you put it again? I'll go ahead with the problems now. Which of the following? This is question number. We have done 6. This is 7. Okay. Let's solve this one. What is that? 8th one. Question number 8. What is the answer for the 8th question? Parabola derivations or problem? Derivation, no, not required. No, problem is good enough. You can do the derivation also if you want to, but I think problem is good enough. Okay, Tollian classes, problems you can solve, bacha. Anu Patel, sir, please check 6th question is B. It is B. It is B. No, sir. False, sir. A transpose will be A itself, na? Correct only. B is true, sir. 8th one. Achha, 6th one you're saying, right? 6th one. 6th one you're saying. No, bacha, no, not right. Please check here. It is not directly related. We are using bacha pi by 6. Please check. Or if you use this condition also, not relevant. Not directly related, sir. Not directly related. Okay, so option C is correct actually. Please check. 8th one now. Okay, scale line derivations are okay. 8th is C. Olivia is saying 8th is C. Sir, ITF related formula like 1 plus sin x, 1 plus cos x, sin x, cos x are used in simplified ITF questions. Okay. Yes. Okay. What is the question over here? Aspira. 6, not 7. Okay. Which of the following is not true? Please check. Option C is correct. I think I got the answers from all of you. 8C. Okay. Yes, right. Everyone giving the right answer. Correct. Sir, hi sir, I have doubt in number of surjective and bijective formula. Okay. Bijective, we have simply this formula, no? And factorial, right? If M is, please check. This for bijection, no? Bijections. For surjection, what you do, look for this condition for mapping. For surjection functions, basically, or onto functions. For onto function, what you do is look for unique mapping. Look for this mapping, okay? Basically, none of the elements should be left behind. That's the only condition. You can solve from the mapping, that's good enough. But again, that's a hard question. Okay, so don't focus on energy on there. They can come for 1 mark. Of course, it can come in the MCQ section, but not usually asked. That's a hard question. Okay. I request you to give those formula ITF chapter. I have given the formula of ITF chapter, have I not? In the sessions only I've given all formula of your in the formula video. Okay, please check. Achha, skew line derivation. You're saying, bacha, for what do you call, for the vector 3D, no? The distance this is there. The shortest distance formula. Shortest distance formula. That's what you're saying. Yes, can be asked, but never asked in PYQ. If you check the PYQs, no, never has been asked. Okay. Even in the model paper, they did not mention it. Have they? No, they have not. Even in model paper, they have not mentioned it, and they have not mentioned this in your any of your PYQs. So don't give that much preference to it. But if you want to, go through the derivations. Okay. Chaliye. Okay, so sir, sorry, I will check now. Let's start. 8th is D. 8th is not D, sir. Again, please read this. Not true. We're looking for not true. Okay. If two negatives make a positive, does that mean failing two tests will make me full marks? Sahal, what happened to you? Okay, option C is correct over here. Please check. Move on to question number 9. 9. The questions on matrices now. Have a look. Syed Mehboob, thank you. Please, sir, please fast. Sorry, bacha. Okay, I was checking your questions only. So please accept this, Satesh. I am taking your questions only, no? So that's why I get little bit slow. Okay, this is not a regular session. We are here for doubt clarification. Okay, so be a little patient, bacha. Forgive me for that. Okay, A is given as, what is the matrix here? 2 cross 3, no? Right? And over here I have 3 cross 2. 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. Can you multiply AB? Can you multiply AB, sir? We can. We have 3 and 3, right? Vector A is 2 cross 3 and vector B is 3 cross 2. So we can multiply AB. What about BA? So write B first. 3 cross 2 and A is 2 cross 3. You can multiply, sir. Yes. Please check. Option A is correct. 9th option A is correct, right? Yes, everyone has got right. Sir, how to score out of out in MCQ and fill in the blanks. So first of all, one thing is, there's some questions, like for example, the questions on the bijective functions, number of bijective function. Those hot questions are there. So I've done hot questions in my regular Brahmas series. If you want, chapter, I'll tell you the chapter name. Chapter names are integration. Questions on integration, questions on AOD, and questions on probability with questions on relation function can be difficult for you to do. Okay, sometimes questions can be difficult, so you can follow that session for your MCQ part. Okay, even check review I've done that. Okay, so and apart from that, if you know the basic concepts, basic definitions, basic properties, you can solve the question in MCQ out of out. I'll repeat myself, all the basic concepts you know, if you know all the basic formula. And apart from that, hot question from the chapters. I wrote the name, I'll write the name over here. Relation and functions, probability, integration. Okay, what did I say? This, and sometimes they can ask in AOD also. So there are few 4-5 chapters. If you follow that, you get for this categories, no? Solve questions on hots. If you can solve this, you can get out of out. You can get out of out. Please check. Yes, Adi, I know, bacha, MCQs are tough little bit, but we have to score. Okay, but if you know, I'm not telling you to score, you know, out of out is tough, but getting 10 marks is not tough. Okay, if you know the formulas, that's more than enough. Question number AOD hots. Did I forget that? Yes, I said no. AOD hots. You can follow my check review session, bacha. I've done there. Chapters, a list I've given you. I've taken hots over there. In my all check review session, I've taken hots. Okay. And sir, I'm following only marathon series. Is that enough to score higher? It is, bacha, but I'll tell you for MCQs, no, follow check review also. I'm telling you, if I was a student, no, I'm giving my exams, I'll follow a check review as well. Think about it, we've done chapter wise MCQs, right? That's very important. Okay. Fast in my question. MCQ is too tough. Sir, for KCET veterinary science course selection, should I need practical exam? That we want to do one thing, Kirtana. Bacha, put your comments, okay, this comment of yours in the comment of this video, not in the live chat. We'll reply to that later. Okay, can I use gel pen? No, you cannot use gel pen. You should not use gel pen. Use ballpoint pen only. Use black or blue, pick one and use that. Ballpoint pen only. Okay, sir, feeling overconfident and little bit fear. Sir, that's a bad combination, isn't it? Overconfident and little bit fear, both are together. How's it? Okay, 9th is done. 10th one now. 10th one now, please solve. Okay, 10th I already got the answers. Okay, D is the right answer. Yes, correct. No, D is the right answer, sir. I like this. All of you got the answer as D. Chandan D, Gaurav D. Yes, Gaurav, by writing once also I get bacha, don't worry, okay? But yes, your answer is very good. You've been giving very good answers for the past few questions, okay? Sir, can I use gel pen? No, that is taken. Let's move on. Sorry, I'm taking a lot of your questions in between solving the question, okay? Because people are asking their doubts. No, I don't want them to, feel that I'm not paying attention to their comments, okay? Sir, I have already commented in the many videos, didn't responded. Okay, Kirtana, sorry, bacha, I'll take right now. Kirtana is saying, sir, okay, oh, is that bacha? Okay, then do one thing. In this video, you comment, I will ask the team right now to get back to your questions and respond to your doubt. Okay, Pakka, it works. Chaliye. Let's move on now. If A equals to 1, 2 minus 4 minus 1, then A inverse will be how much? Who's giving me answer for this one? Chandan, Sinchana, Lionel Messi, Kareem, Kirtana, Mandar Shugandhi. Sir, please solve 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 1 matrix multiplication. 1 cross 3 and 3 cross 1. Are bhai, low bhai. 1 cross 3, right? So we'll have 2, 5 and 6. 1 cross 3, right? 1 cross 3, no? This is not 1 cross, this is 3 cross 1. 1 cross 3, sir. 2, 1, 2. 1 cross 3, bacha. Correct, right? We can multiply this. Of course, we can multiply this. How are we going to do it? This row with column. Okay, what is the result going to be? 1 cross 1 matrix. It will be 1 cross 1 matrix, right? Okay, let's solve it now. 2 into 2 is 4, sir. 1 into 5 is, okay, what is it? 5, sir. 2 into 6 is 12, sir, right? Am I right or not? No, it's wrong, it's wrong. What has happened to me? What has happened to me? How can I make this mistake? 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 5 will be what? Plus 5, no? Am I right? No, I wrote it wrong. Correct only in the beginning. What are you doing to me? Give me the answer for everyone for this one. 2 into 2 is 4. Then I'm going to do 1 into 5. 2 into 6 is 12. Okay. I hope this is clear. Done. Question number, what is this question? 11th, right? 11th answer. Give me answer for the 11th one. 11th answer. Please check and give me the answer for 11th one. 11th is D. I got the answers. Can you explain 10th question? 10th question can explain. Okay, I will explain, sir. Add it. A plus B and A minus B. Add it. You get this and this cancel. You get only 2A left here. This side you can add 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Divide this by 2. You get A equals to 1 by 2, 10, 0, 2, 8. Giving me answer as 5014. 5014. Okay. Chaliye, this is done. 11th one now. 11th one now. Come on. Okay, I'll do that, bacha. Mandar Sugandhi, just wait for some time. No, a lot of people are asking for the questions. Let me solve some questions, then I'll do that. Do your question also. Okay, sorry for that. A equals to 1, 2 minus 4 minus 1. Then find A inverse. A inverse can be found only if I have determinant of A existing in nature. Find it out. You get here minus 1. Okay, minus sign will come, and you have minus 8, right? Correct? No, minus 1, and you have 4 to the 8, so minus 8. Answer is minus 1 plus 8, so 7 is the determinant of A, which is not equal to 0, so non-singular matrix. Okay, what I get, bacha, for adjoint of A? For adjoint of A, remember this matrix is given like this: 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. Across this, interchange. Across this, interchange. And across this, sir, sign change. Sign change. What's my result? Please check here. So minus 1, 1 over here will become minus 2 plus 4. This is my bacha, your adjoint right here. Minus 1, minus 2, 4 and 1. Okay, 4 and 1 will become please check this by 1 by 7, no? So 1 by 7 times of, you have minus 1, minus 2, 4 and 1. Option number D is correct. Yeah. GM, which of the following is correct? Determinant is square matrix. Okay. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix, correct? Correct, no? Option C is correct, bacha. Option C is correct. Option C is correct. GM. एस्पिरा ओके बच्चा, यू आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन दैट सर सभी क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस किए हैं बट एक डर लग रहा है कि एग्जाम में समथिंग विल मेस अप. ओके डोंट वरी, इफ यू वर्क यू थिंक अबाउट इट. इफ यू आर गेटिंग स्कैर्ड और पैनिक, it's an emotion, it'll come back and go. Okay, it'll come and go, but if you've done your work, how can you lose that? Okay, if let's say for example, if I have prepared for my session, if I have worked for my session, can I forget everything? I cannot. I might might get disturbed in between by asking some silly questions from your side, but I will not be losing everything, have I? Same way bacha, if you prepared something, you cannot lose that. Okay, so we'll just trust yourself, have faith in yourself. Why don't you do that? Have faith in yourself. Okay, which question is this, sir? This is 12. Okay, I have to go a little faster now. I'm only on question number 12. I have to go faster. Come on. Question number 12. What is the answer, sir, for this one? 12th. Give me the answer. Satej, Gaurav. Bacha, determinant. GM is asking why not A. Determinant is not a matrix. Determinant, you're saying why not A? Determinant is not a matrix. Determinant is a value. It's a value. I've taken a doubt on that. I've taken a question on that as well. Determinant is not a value, not a matrix. It's a value. There's a difference. Determinant is not a matrix. Understand this. A is correct. Bacha, wrong. Sonu, Aishu, all wrong. Why bacha A? Without solving, please check. It'll become, sir, 3 power Q. Okay, over here I have A. Okay, what else we got now? So it becomes, sir, 27. Okay, A 27 times of 2. Please check here. With 1, if I solve, I get here 4 minus 2. With 0, I have nothing left. With minus 1, I also have 0. This is my determinant of A. I get here 1 times of 2. So 2. What is the answer? 54. Answer is 54. Please check. Have I got it wrong? Why D? What is the answer, bacha? 3 cube into 4. How it is coming as 4? It is coming as 4. Oh yes, it is 4. How can I do that? It's 4 only. 4 minus 0. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Sorry sir. Extremely sorry sir. I missed that out completely. Sorry sir. Big mistake. I will apologize in front of all of you. It's a big mistake. It's a blunder from my side. See, I told you even I can make a mistake. Okay, so anybody can make a mistake like I did. I am so ashamed. Okay, option D is correct. Sorry Chandan, all of you, sir. D is yes bacha, yes. Sinchana, Baby Gauda, GM, Olivia, GM, everyone who has given me the answer as D, I am sorry, I got it wrong. I did not see the 0 part. Forgive me. Okay, so as well D. Okay Chandan, don't get wrong. Sorry. Yes, he's getting angry. Sorry sir. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, question number which is this? Chandan is getting angry because I keep getting angry at him. No, that's why he's angry at me. To and fro motion. No problem, sir. Sir, बड़े शहरों में छोटी गलतियां होती रहती हैं. Thank you, Mandar. Okay, if A and B are invertible matrix, but sorry, this is a very bad mistake. Forgive me for that. Let's move on. Chandan reaction was very nice. 12 DD, sir. I like the emoji. Okay. If A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? Come on. Yeah, your answer. GM, your answer is over here. Please check. Your answer is over here. A adjoint A is a matrix or not? It's a matrix. This is a matrix or not? It's a matrix. Okay. What about this, sir? It's a matrix or not? It's a matrix. So whenever you take care of matrices, no, you'll have, because think about it. If I had only this part, will this be a matrix? It's a value, bacha. It's a scalar value. Or it can be a function. It can be a function, but not actually a matrix. Okay. So what is the answer for question number 13? Okay. Chandan, good. All right. Sahil is saying Chandan, good. Okay. Fine, Sahil. I'll see you. I'll ask you a question, Sahil. It's not clear, sir. What's not clear, bacha? Please see. 13 option C is correct. Some is saying 13 option A is correct. Please check. Not correct. Okay, the question is not clear. If A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? Okay, so this one, no. Invertible, this has to be right only, right? Okay, this is all right, no? Please check what I'm getting. A adjoint A. A adjoint A has to be this, right? Okay, okay. But actually no, I'll tell you what, over here, question itself is wrong. There's a lot of mistake in the question bank, okay? So this question is wrong because. Is this question wrong, guys? Tell me. Sir, please explain properly. This one, okay. Sir, could you please talk a little Kannada? Bacha, I'm telling you what. First of all, we are asked to explain things over here in English only, and I try not to speak any other languages. But I will ask you to forgive me for this one right now. I am little not that comfortable speaking in Kannada because I don't know it that well. I'm learning it very soon. I know very small words. Okay, for example, I can converse. I can know numbers. I can get the day-to-day job done. But I'm learning it very soon. I'll be speaking in Kannada very fluently. Okay, chaliye. So this was a doubt from your side, sir. But doesn't have determinant symbol. Okay, correct, right? So have a look. Yes. Sir, any tips for KCET dropper? Sir, you don't have to. That's completely fine. Okay, it's correct, sir. Which is the right option, bacha? Option D is correct. No, option D is right only. No. A and B are invertible matrices. It has to be invertible. No, this has to be non-zero. Correct. D is also right option. So this is not correct. Okay. A adjoint A is equals to adjoint A. Okay. Yes. Option B is right. Then option no. Guys, please check. Option B is the correct option. What is the type of question comes in examination? What if this type of question comes in examination? It's a good question, sir. Okay. Acha, you're saying if what is the question which is wrong comes in examination, bacha, then you get a bonus mark. If a question is incorrect in the examination, you get a bonus mark in that. Okay. So if you explain properly, A adjoint A, bacha, is going to be determinant of A times I only, no? Not right? It's incorrect, right? Please check. It has to be like, but bacha, I think this is the correct option. No, you're incorrect option. This is a property, right? This is a property, sir. A adjoint of A equals to adjoint A equals determinant of AI, right? It's a property. Okay. Yeah. I think can you hear me? I think there's something wrong with my live. I cannot see on time. I'll go back and check again. Okay, so I think there's something wrong with my network. Question number 14, let's solve now. Number of points in the interval. Question number 14 now. Yes, thank you. Yes, Gauri. Do we get marks for steps? Yes, of course you get do. Okay, I was seeing your comments a little. Yeah, A is incorrect. I've taken here, no? Option A is right, no? I've taken that, bacha. Please check. So let's move on now. Okay. We can hear you. All right. Good. Thank you. Let's move on now. Please check. So question number 14, number of points in the interval 0, 2 in which fx equals to GIF. Let's draw this. We get here. Open here. Close here. Open here. Open and close, right? This is right. We're looking for 0 to 2, no? So 0 is over here. And this is 1, this is 2. Okay. The number of point 2 is not included, sir. 0 to 2 is open, bacha. 0 to 2 is open. We'll have only one point over here. This is the point where it is non-differentiable. Non-differentiable. Reason being discontinuous, sir. Discontinuous, sir. They are discontinuous. Only one point is there. We have only one point. Option is B. Option is B. 14th, everyone agree? Yes. So I think, is it so? Not clear screen? Chandan, okay. Guys, everyone please check. Chandan is saying screen is not clear. I'll tell you, bacha, I'll tell you that. Samant, I'll tell you that, don't worry. First of all, please answer me. Is the screen not clear? Something is wrong, bacha? Is the screen not visible properly? Chandan, please check, Chandan. I think something is wrong. Sir, screen is clear. I think others are saying clear only. Please check, bacha, from your side once. Okay. So now I'll go back to this. What are they saying? When can we see it from the graph, bacha? Check here. No, there's a break. Actually, I've taught you this. Any GIF function, y like this, y equal to this will be discontinuous discontinuous when x belongs to integers, bacha. When x belongs to integers, sir. Okay, and we know that a function which is discontinuous will be, of course, non-differentiable. Now, of course, will be non-differentiable, right? Any function which is not continuous cannot be differentiable. I'll repeat myself. Any function which is not continuous cannot be differentiable. Think about it at this point. Think about it at this point. I can explain this part better. I approach this point, bacha, from the left hand side. So if I find left hand limit, so you find LHL. What is it? It's going to be 0, right? It's going to be 0. What is the RHL, bacha? When x equals to 1. What is the RHL, sir? It's 1, bacha. The RHL is 1, the left hand limit is 0. It means the function is not continuous. The function f, the function this is not continuous. In this case, it will be non-differentiable. 14 again. No, it's not clear. Okay. Increase equality in the mobile all. Question number 14 again. I'll repeat myself. Bacha, please check here. If you find the left hand limit, no. Before this point 1. Before this point 1, what is the value of the function? 0. Please check. This is 0, right? Before this point 1, what is the value of the function? 0. After, what is the value of the function? 1, sir, here. 1, no. 0 is at the origin, actually. 0 is at the origin, actually. Please check. 0 is over here. So right side of this, bacha, you have function value at 1. Before you have function value at 0. Okay. So of course, the LHL and RHL are not equal to each other. The LHL is not equal to RHL. So we don't have limit existing in nature. Limit does not exist. Not exist. I want to say does not existing in nature. Limit does not exist. Excuse me. Just give me 1 second, guys. DNE does not exist. And what is the function for continuity, bacha? Condition for continuity will be limit should be equal to the function value at that point. So if the limit is not existing, how can it be equal to 1? Hence we can say function is not continuous. Hence we can say function is non-differentiable. Okay. Sir, please GM question. The derivative of e power log ex with respect to x. Okay. What is it saying? Derivative of power e power. What is it? They're saying derivative of power e power log ex. No. Are you saying this? E power log, right? This is the answer, no? Please check. This is it. Answer will be, bacha, simply e power x. This is the answer. Please check. Sir, how come LHL is 0? Please check. Approach this number 1 from the left hand side. Approach the number 1 from left hand side. What is the function over here? 0, no? Y value is 0 over here, sir. Right side, what is the value over, bacha? 1. Others? Shall I move on now? Can I move on now, please? Question number 14. Can I move on from here? Okay. My note is saying my confidence is light low in AOD and probability. Any suggestions, sir? Okay. For probability, bacha, I would say practice some questions on base theorem. Okay. Don't practice too many questions. Just practice questions from PYQs. First give 2 PYQs and some solved examples. So what you can do is practice the probability from PYQs and solved examples. Okay. What else you can do is for this properties of base theorem you can practice, bacha. Base theorem. Questions will come on this. Question will come on this, and of course on the independent function. Independent function. Solve this. Okay. And for AOD, solve PYQs. Solve only PYQs. So learn the concepts that is there. I've taught you in this as well. You can watch the session again later. Okay. Or otherwise I've taught you this in the formula session as well. So please go ahead and learn from there and solve PYQs of AOD. Chali, let's move on now. So let's move. Question number 15 is this. Solve 15 now. Very slow. Okay, we are going very slow. I have to speed up now. Come on, guys. 15. Cos inverse of sin x. Differentiation. Please check. Y is cos inverse of sin x. Okay, I have to increase my speed now. We'll get dy by dx equals to minus 1 upon root of 1 minus sine x the whole square times of, this derivation is for cos inverse, right? After you differentiate again for the chain rule of sine x, you get here cos x. What is this? Derivative of sine x is cos x, okay? I'm getting here minus cos x upon 1 minus sine square is how much, sir? Cos square x. This will cancel each other. What I get answer as? Simply minus 1. Simply minus 1. Minus 1. Please check. Option D is correct. Okay. Sir, you do one thing. You solve 5-6 problems, then read chat. Okay, bacha. I'll do that. Question number 15 is done. Let's move on to 16 now. 16. Okay. So 15 D was right. 16 is correct. Cos inverse of e power x. Then dy by dx will be. Please check here. What I get, y equals to cos inverse of e power x. Differentiate it now. You get dy by dx. What will this be, bacha? Again, same approach, no? There will be a minus sign over here. You get this as 1 minus e power x the whole square, okay? And then differentiate for the chain rule e power x also. Getting here e power x. Answer will be minus e power x upon 1 minus e power 2x. Option, please check. Option is going to be, this is question number, have a look, 16, right? Question number 16. Option is, option number B is right, no? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Okay, let's move on now. 17. Okay, I've gone very slow. I've taken a lot of questions. I've solved only till not even halfway. Okay, I have to go and solve a little faster. Derivative of f given by fx equals sine inverse of x exists. Excellent question. It's a PYQ, bacha. It's a PYQ. A very good question. Please check. So sine inverse x, if it is given as, let's say y, I get dy by dx equals to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. For this to happen, what should be the case, bacha? 1 minus x square has to be greater than equal to, not equal to actually, sorry. Excuse me. Not equal to. Simply greater than 0. What I get from here? I get here x square should be less than 1. When can we have x square less than 1? When can we have x square less than 1? If it is between minus 1 to 1. If you go over here, take a number 2, it will become more than 1, sir. 2 square is 4. Take a number here, minus 2, it will become again 4, more than 1, sir. So x will belong from where to where? Minus 1 to 1. There's no inequality means, it will be minus 1 to 1 open. There's no equal to sign here. There's no equal to sign over here. Not equal to, not equal to. Answer is minus 1 to 1. Option A is correct. Please check. So, hi Nope, my name is Floyd. Okay, Floyd. Isn't this product rule? No, bacha, chain rule. No, not product rule. Somebody is saying product rule. No, bacha, not product rule. Cos x, think about it. We had cos inverse inside there was there, no? Cos inverse of sin x was there. So this is nothing but your function number 1, function number 2. How is it product? It's chain rule. It is chain rule. Please check. Okay. Hi Amir. Hello. I'll take bacha. I'll explain. Don't worry. I've taken questions over there also. Ellipse question, I'll explain it to you. Okay. Savita. Let's move on now. Okay. I have a doubt at greatest integer discontinuity point fx. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you in one line, bacha. For any GIF question. 17th is done, right? 17A is right answer. For any GIF question. For all GIF. Basically y equals to this. Discontinuous at all integers. That's the only thing that you need to know. That is it. At all integers it is discontinuous. Okay, rest you can figure out from your side. Question number, this is nothing but question number 18, sir. Please solve question number 18 now. Please check question number 18 now. Okay. Hello bacha. Okay guys, question number 18, please solve this. Question number 18, please solve this. Please check. Y equal to cos log x plus e power x. Y equal to cos of log x plus e power x. How do you solve it, sir? For cos this become minus sine log of x plus e power x. Okay. Then you have to apply bacha here. Again chain rule. First function, second function. It will become log x will become sir 1 by x. And e power x will be, sir, simply e power x. Any option like this? Option D is right. Option D is right. Question number 18 is done. Guys, sir, like GIF explain how to get okay, but so that is not my strength. Okay, maths is my strength. You ask me maths question, I'll help you. I think Chandan can help you in that regard, right, Chandan? Okay, help Amir. Okay, 18D is right, bacha. Moving on, 19th now. Question number 19, please solve. Which one of the following is not true? Give me answer for 19th one. Okay, 19th question. Chandan, help him. Come on. Chandan will say, sir, why are you targeting me today? Because you're one of the oldest student over here. That's why I'm targeting you today. Okay. So answer for this one, please check. I gave you a list of that, bacha. Hot's probability, relation and function. Can be asked in AOD also. Yeah. Chaliye. 19D is right. No, 19D is right. Correct. 19D is right. Can you give me an example of this? Anybody can give me an example of this? Samarth? Give me an example of this. Sir, for cos inverse, also same as sin inverse is correct. But Chandran, I didn't get your question. For cos inverse, also same for sin inverse is correct. Okay. 19D, correct, no? 19 is D. Alright. Diksha, yes, D is right, bacha. Satej, D is right. Okay. Let's move on now. 20th. This one. 20th. Your favorite GIF is here. Question number 20. Please solve now. All of you. The greatest integer function defined by fx equals to GIF of x is option number D. Option number D. Yes, correct. 21 now. Question number 21 now. The maximum values of the function given by fx equals to x. Check here. Y equals to x. They are asking maximum value. I'm asking you 4 more questions. Okay. Give me answer for both the categories. First one and second one. First and second one. Correct. B is right. 1 is right. Over here, there is no answer for second part is doesn't exist. If there's open bracket over here, if there is an open bracket over here, you write DNE. If it is closed, then you write simply as 1. Please check. Okay. Have a look. What we have over here is 21 is done, no? Is it 21 only? Yeah. 22 now. Somebody says waiting for HOTS question. But HOTS I've taken in what do you call? In your Chakravyuh series. Okay. Today I've not taken many HOTS question. I'll tell you why. Because only 1 or 2 questions come from HOTS section. Not many are there. Okay. So that's why I've not taken it. But if you want to see a HOTS question, you have to go ahead and watch my sessions in Chakravyuh. I've done chapter wise. Please go ahead and check it out. Okay. Okay. Question number doesn't exist. Yeah. Correct. Very good. Chandan, very good. Satej, B, right? Everyone, sir, can explain me once again, sir. What part, bacha? For this part, no? Whenever there's open bracket over here, no? There's open bracket over here. Diksha. Closed means 1 is right as the maximum value. When it is open means does not exist. If I take, let's say, I'm asking here minimum value. Okay, same approach. If it's like this, 0, 1. What is the answer, sir? 0. If it is open bracket, square and open bracket 0 and 1, this case does not exist. Okay, does not exist. I hope this is clear, Diksha. Okay, question number 22. The numbers of points of local maxima and local minima for the given function. Somebody has given you answer already. B is not right. C is right, right? Please check. Find derivative over here. You get this as 3x square minus 3. Take 3 common. You get x square minus 1. X minus 1 and x plus 1 equal to 0. You get x as either 1 or minus 1. Okay. X as either 1 or minus 1. Okay. So from here, what are you getting? Please check. One will be actually point of maxima, other will be point of minima. How can you find that? Double dash you can find from here, no? You get this as simply 6x. Okay. So at this point -1 you get maxima. X equals to -1 is point of maxima, and x equals to +1 is point of minima. Please check. Option is option number C. Okay, sir, but only one point of local minima and maxima, no? Yeah, bacha, so number of points for both, right? So one for minima, one for maxima, right? So we get total of 2 points, no? Correct? Please check. Points of local maxima, local minima, both they're asking. 23 now. 23. Sir, does this question come? Can this question come, sir? Yes, it can. Because formula based question can be asked, okay, in the examination, okay, especially in integration they can ask that. So please remember the formulas very clearly. Option is C. Option is C. Yes, bacha, we'll send PDF. Join the WhatsApp channel, we'll send the PDF of the session. Don't worry that. Okay, let's move on now. Question number 24. Question number 24. 24, who is solving this? Okay, please check. 24. Chandan. Olivia. 23 is C. 23 was C only, right? I think. Yeah, C is right. 24. Guys, 24th question. Who is solving it? Tan square x of, actually the angle is different here. Tan square of 2x here. How do you solve it, bacha? It will become sec square of 2x minus 1. So it will become tan 2x divided by 2 minus x plus c. Minus x plus c. Correct, no? I think option C is right. Option C is right. Option C is right. Correct. Alright. Please check. Alright, sir. Let's move on to the next question we have. 24th is done. 25th now. Please check. 24, C was right, no? C is right. 25 now. Question number 25, guys. 25, we have here x cube minus x square. Can I take x square common here directly? I can do that, right? I can take here x square common in the first two terms, okay? Let me just do that. Allow me to do that, sir. I get here x square is common, x minus 1, okay? Plus 1 is common here, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. X square plus 1 dx, what I get? X cube by 3 plus x plus c. X cube by 3 plus x plus c. Option B is right. Option B is right. 25B is right. C, no, bacha. Option plus sign is there. Please check. There's a plus sign. Guys? Okay. Alright. Yes, yes. B is right. Okay. Chandan, C. I don't know, bacha, which question was that. For this one, I think it's B. Previous one was C only. This is question number 25. 25. Moving on to question number 26 now. 26, please stop 26th one. Sir, will you send the marathon in a PDF ASAP after this class? We'll do that. I'll ask the team to send it to you right now. Okay. In the WhatsApp channel, we'll upload it. Okay. We'll upload the WhatsApp channel, all the PDFs. Okay, what we have 1 plus sin 2x is there. No, I can write here 2 sin x cos x. And right here this as sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x. It becomes so sin x plus cos x the whole square in the root. Cancel it. You get here sin x plus cos x integration with dx. With dx, what do you get for this? Please check here. Minus cos x, and it will become plus sin x. Of course, plus c. You have sin x minus cos x is the answer. Sin x minus cos x is the answer. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Everyone? Yes, 26th is B. Correct, Chandan. Very good. Others, Gaurav has given me A, I think for previous question. Isha has given me 26B. Diksha, A, bacha Y. Please check. Sanchana, B is right. Let's move on now. 27th. Okay. Question number 27th. How do you solve it, sir? We have integration. Write this one as sine square x plus cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. We have dx of cos. Separate this for this plus sign. Using this plus sign, separate it. You get this as sine square x upon sine square x into cos square x plus cos square x upon sine square x into cos square x. Of course, we'll have a bracket over here, dx over here, and there is integration. Cancelled. Okay, so it'll give me what, bacha? It'll give me 1 by cos will be sec square x, 1 by sine will be cosec square x, right? With dx, of course, I have here this as tan x. This will be minus cot, no? For cosec we'll have minus cot. So minus cot x plus c. Have a look. I hope this is clear. Okay, tan x minus cot. Everyone is giving right answer. Excellent. Proud of you all. Given me right answer. Shatej, GM, Kalavati, Diksha, Chandan. Yes, everyone is giving the right answer. Very good. Excellent. This was question number 27, bacha. 27. Let's solve 28th now. Okay. Find the order and degree. Order and degree is a must question. It will come in examination. I'm telling you this. One marker is coming from here for sure. Okay. And it's like same question. Sir, please fast. Am I going slow, guys? I'll do more fast. Don't worry. Okay. Find the order and degree of the differential equation over here. So order is 3. Degree is 1. From here, what is written here? dqy upon dx cube. Third derivative with power 1. This is the answer for 1, and this 3 represents from here. Please check. This 3 from here and 1 from there. 3, 1, option number A is correct. Okay. The minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square by 1 plus x square for all your values of x is. Okay. What is I saying? 1 minus x plus x square upon 1 plus x square. Okay, for all real value of x. Okay, I'll solve this, bacha. We'll solve it. Can you explain how 1, sir? Okay, I explained right now. I think is it not clear, bacha? Please check the highest power for the degree, for the order. What is the highest order, sir? For the highest order is 3. For that highest power is 1. No, that's how. Okay. Acha, I'm asking this person, what is it? Shari Sonu, please check. Is the question right? Please check. Okay. I'll again come back to this question. Don't worry. Let me just proceed right now. People asking me I'm going slow. Let me increase my speed. Sorry, all of you. This question, order and degree again. Okay. Good, Sonu. I'll solve it. Don't worry. I'll solve it. Okay. Question number, order and degree of the differential equation. Please solve this question. Solve this one. Order, sir. Order is 3. Degree dne. E power dy by dx is there. dne. Answer is 3, not defined. Please check. Answer is 3, not defined. Yes, Chandan. Very good. Excellent. 3, not defined. Okay. Very good. This is 30. Okay. 30. Question number 30 now. Please check. So what we have so far for question number 30? We are having here, sir, the unit vector in the direction of vector A. This is called as A cap. It's called a cap, right? How do you find A cap, bacha? Vector A upon mod of vector A. Find mod of vector A. It will be root of square of 2. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. How much is that? 4 plus 9 plus 1. 14. So okay, I'll write here 4 plus 9 plus 1. So root 14. What is my answer? Same with the divided by root 14. So 2, 3 k by root 14. So option A is correct, no? 23k but divided by root 14. Option A is correct. Excellent. Excellent, Chandan. Okay, Yashash, Study Sonu, Kalavati, sporadic beer. Okay, so weird names. Yusuf. Okay, 30 is done. 31. I'm an old guy. No, I don't know all these cool names. Right? Sorry for that. Which campus is sir from? Okay, come here. You are from Diksha. Okay, so question number 31 is this also not done? No, sir, not done. 31, please solve it. Direction question they're asking, they're asking DC. DC, the formula I will give you. For the L, we have A upon root of A square plus B square plus C square, right? No, but I have solved more MCQs. Don't worry about MCQs. I've done MCQs one shot. I've done Chakravarti MCQ. If you want to solve questions in the hot section, go ahead, watch the Chakravarti MCQ. If you want to watch only MCQs, I'm not taking that many hot questions, watch my one shot. Okay. Today I'm also doing MCQ questions. I'm also doing subjective as well after this. Okay. So let's just quickly solve this and move on. People are asking that I'm slow. Actually, I'm slow. I'll go a little faster. A upon A square plus B square plus C square will get here 1 upon square of this, right? So we get here 1 plus 4 plus 9. So 1 upon root 14. So I get 1 upon root 14. Second will be 2 upon root 14. Last will be 3 upon root 14. Answer is like this. 1, 2, 3. Option A is correct, sir. Option A is correct, sir. 31D. No. Is 31D right? No, 31D. Okay, they are both same options, right? How is it? No. 4 plus 9. 30. Okay. I did not read the denominator. Chandan, don't get angry. Okay, I didn't see the denominator. Answer is option D. Forgive me, guys. Seems like I'm making too many mistakes today. Sir, you didn't solve my question. Manikanta. Bacha. Okay. I'll solve it, sir. Don't worry, sir. I'll solve it, bacha. I will solve it. 1 second. I've taken the screenshot, right? Manikanta's question. Where is it? Y is equal to E A. Okay, I've done this question, isn't it, in my one of the classes? Y equal to E power A cos inverse of X. That's what the question, right? So what you do now, find derivative over here. Dy by dx will become equal to, please check. I'll repeat as it is. E power A cos inverse of X. Differentiate this, you have constant here. A left, you get 1 upon minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Bring on this side, you get here root of 1 minus x square. You have, okay. This is right. Okay, dy by dx. I'll give you a hint. You solve from here. Okay, Manikanta. I know you've been asking for a long time. I'll just solve this quickly. You get here minus a times of e power a cos inverse of x. Okay. So what you're gonna get? Please check. You can write this as RHS will become minus a y again. Please check. E power a cos inverse of x is nothing but e minus a y again. Now you can just what you call integrate. Make this as whole square. No. What I'm getting here, 1 minus x square dy by dx equals to, I'm getting here minus ay. I'm telling you what, do here, square both side and then find second derivative. Square both side and find second derivative. Manikanta, I hope this helped. Please let me know. Okay, let me know, bacha, from here. Okay, so let's proceed now. Great. All right, I lost my chat with all of you. 1 second, guys. Sorry, not able to see your chat, live chat. Give me 1 second. I'll come back to this. I hope this is clear, right? 31 is also done. 32 now. 32 now. Please check. Manikanta, your question is solved, bacha. 33. Okay. Yeah, it has root 6. Correct. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Okay. At this last time, what can we do, sir? Okay, GM, sorry. Okay, sir, hi. Okay, let's solve this question 32 now. The projection vector of AB on the directed line L, or directed line 1, theta is pi. Theta is pi. AB will become bacha BA. It will become BA. If theta was pi by 2, it will become, sir, 0. Okay, and if it is 0, it will become, sir, BA. It will remain AB itself. So your answer will be BA, sir, over here. Please check. If it was 0, no. If theta was actually 0 degree, it will remain as it is. Please check. It will remain as it is, sir. Option is BA. Please check. Done. Option C is right. Everyone got the right answer. 33 now. 33 now, come on. Okay, 33 now. 33 now, sir. Okay, so the value of lambda for which the two vectors are perpendicular. Please check. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 into lambda is minus lambda. Plus 2 will be 0. Lambda is 8, sir. Lambda is 8, sir. Please check. Okay, sir, important questions. Send me, please, sir. Sir, will the KCET 1 short continue after boards? Yes, bacha, will continue after boards. Even in the boards time also, no, if you have done with the paper, we're gonna release some videos in between time as well. If you're free, you can watch the sessions. Okay, so but it will continue, of course, for sure, both for PU2 and PU1. Okay, and if you want to, actually very good marks, very good marks, what you can do is take the free trial of Abhyas test series right now. Take the free trial. You can purchase later, but take the free trial right now. And after the exam, of course, after the maths examination, but you can do that. Okay, chaliye. So please check. 33D is the right answer. 34th now. 33 again. Okay, 33 again. Okay, bacha. Please check here. From here, if you see, your A1 value is 2. Your B1 value is minus 1. Your C1 value is 2. Your A2 value from here is 3. And B2 value is lambda. And C2 value, please check here, C2 value is 1. Multiply this what with the formula? A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0, right? Now multiply 2 into 3, bacha, will become 2 into 3, and we have a plus minus lambda into, plus lambda into minus 1, and we have plus 2 into 1 equals to 0, right? They have given perpendicular, that's why. Okay, so I get here 6 minus lambda plus 2 equals to 0, actually 0. So I get here 8 minus lambda equals to 0. It means lambda equals to 8. Done now. What else we have? Sir, can we write questions from part B, part C and part D in different order? For example, can we write 28 first and then 22? But I'll advise not to. Don't do that, okay? It's okay to write it, but think about the examiner. If he's looking at your paper and have a very good, okay, this much has written very well. Just don't do that, okay? Try to leave spaces in between, but don't write 28 first and 22 first. Finish a section in the same order. 22, then comes 28, like that, okay? You can do that, but don't do it. My advice is don't do it. Okay, it's not against the rules, but don't do it. Please don't do it. Okay. Chaliye, 34th now, guys. 34th now. Come on, let me just quickly solve these questions. At least MCQs. Screen is not clear, sir. Savita Joshi is saying, sir, solve the problem. I've done, bacha. Okay. I will take, bacha, I think I've taken total of 40 plus questions, so 40 to 45 questions I've taken. We'll solve all of that, okay? So last only 10 is left. 34 is D. 34 is D. Very good. Somebody is solving the questions with me. 34 is D. Very good. Okay. Sir, looking blur. Bacha, can you check your video quality once? Others, can you check, is it blur, bacha? Question number 34, Ashir is D. Okay, sir, can we write questions? I told that already. We want to write extra questions in paper. Do we have to write at last or in the section only? Don't try to write in the section, but you can write at the last. Okay, better. Just mention here section wise extra. Section B, extra questions. Okay, they mark it like this only. You can check here even in the questions if a student has solved it. If only from the same section you get a wrong answer, you get the highest weightage question. Let's say one question is scored -2. Sorry, not minus, no. 2 and one question is scored 5, you get the 5 ones, of course. Even if it is extra, you get that right. So answer, how will you solve it, sir? Cos to alpha plus cos to beta plus cos to gamma equals to, we have to find this value, right? We have to find this value, no? Okay. We'll see that later. Forgive me. We get here 2 cos square alpha minus 1 plus 2 cos square beta minus 1 plus 2 cos square gamma minus 1. Take these terms together and take 2 common. You get here cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 1 and minus 1 together over here becomes -3. Okay, so I have here 2 times of 1 minus 3. This is a property for this, no? Remember this? This is a property for this. L square plus m square plus n square is nothing but 1, sir. What is L value? L value is cos alpha, m value is cos beta, and n value is cos gamma. Okay, answer will be 2 minus 3. I get the answer as simply minus 1. So option D is right. Option D is right. Okay, please check. Okay, let's move on now. 34th is done. 35 now. The equation of the following, okay, of the line. Give me the answer for this, bacha. Important question, send me, bacha. Okay, we'll give that as well. Don't worry, we'll give that as well. We'll do whatever. I'll tell you what, do one thing. If you can, no, if I'm not able to give you the question, please refer the 5 marker, 3 marker from your question bank. Refer that, okay? Chali. I hope this helps. So, great. Question number, what question is this? 35 now. Question number 35. Please check. 35 now. What is there? 35 is C. Is this 3? I think it's C only, no? Through that point, 5 to minus 4. 5 to minus 4. Okay. Parallel to this. But no. Not right. Please check. Option A is correct, sir. 5 to minus 4. Yeah, option A is correct. Option A is correct. Please check. Option A is correct. Yeah. So if you check, no, the points are given 5 to minus 4. And the other point is given as, have a look, 3 I cap plus 2 j cap and minus 8 k cap. So this will become your vector number, vector B, right? And this will be your, what do you call, vector A, right? The answer will become, what's R equals to vector A plus lambda vector B. Excuse me, lambda vector B. Okay. Yes, Chandan, A is correct, bacha. 36th now, 36th one. Cartesian equation of the line, this, the vector form of this will be, let me write the equation again, x minus 5 by 3 equals to y plus 4 by 7 equals to z minus 6 by 2. First thing to look over here is coefficient of x, y and z should be always 1. Should be always 1. Okay, next thing is, bacha, the formula is always this one, x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. This value is over here in the denominator is nothing but your dr. This value over here, this is your, what is this, sir? Direction ratios. Okay, so means basically it will represent the vector B, 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, please check. Now what is this, bacha, going to be? From here you check here, this is going to be A will be basically from here. Please compare x1 and 5, it will be simply 5, sir. So 5i cap. Over here, bacha, compare this y1 and 4, it will be minus 4, sir. So minus 4 j cap. How come, sir? Please check. This is minus, this is plus, no? This is minus, this is plus. How can you do that? If the 4 is minus, then only it will become plus. If the 4 is minus, then only become plus, sir. That's why minus 4 j cap. And the last one simply plus 6 k cap. What is my answer going to be? Same value, bacha, r equals to vector A plus lambda vector B. So 5 minus 4 plus 6, 5 minus 4 plus 6, 5 minus 4 plus 6 and 372. 372, option C is right. Option number C is right. Option number C is right. Please check, bacha. As of now, sir, GM, this is the only live session scheduled, okay? We are not scheduling any live session tomorrow, okay? But right now, this is the only live session. Please, Ayudha Raghunathan is saying something, I don't know, but did I miss something? Sir, how to solve the number of equivalence relation type questions? Okay, so there are two type of questions. No, think about it. There's only one problem there. Number of equivalence relation means how to make the relation equivalent, right? So in that, symmetric will be easier. Look for 1 to 2 1 or ABBA. Reflexive will be also easier. You have to look for the relation to itself, AA, PB, CC, like that. Only problem is with transitive. Okay, so what you can do there, no? If you cannot check for it, there's no way to check for transitive. It means it will be a transitive relation. Means if there's no objections present over here, it will become transitive. So that will be the first clue to get a equivalence relation. Now if you want to take a question on that, do one thing. I have solved. Go ahead and check my session in Chakravyuh for relation and function. Will you do that? This is to Arudha, okay? Arudra, okay? Arudra Raghunathan. Arudha Raghunathan. I think I've taken your name right now. Please go ahead and check my session on relation and function in Chakravyuh. You get all the questions, please solve it. Okay, all of you are facing the question trouble. I have done those questions, please go ahead and check it out. Okay, let's move on now. Let us move on now. 37th now. 37th. Two lines which with direction ratios A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are perpendicular, no sir. This is parallel, no. Parallel, no sir. This is also no sir, perpendicular. This is right. Parallel, they have to be proportional. They have to be proportional. Okay, correct. 37 is D, sir. Okay, 38 now. We'll solve 38 now quickly. 38. If PA goes to 6 by 11, PB is 5 by 11. A and then B will be what? They've given that is 7 over 11. So please check here. P, A and then B will be having a formula. PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. I'm looking for intersection only, right? So I'll move this on over here and this over here. I get now PA intersection B will be equal to PA is how much, sir? 6 by 11 plus PB is how much, sir? 5 by 11 minus this part 7 by 11. I get here. Please check 6 plus 5 is 11 minus 7 is going to be 4 by 11 is my final answer. Option B is correct. 38 option B is correct. Okay. Option B is correct, sir. Let's move on now. 39. Let's solve question number 39, sir. I know the session has been longer, but we also have to solve question number which is subjective. Okay. So I have to be here until unless everyone is here. PA equals to 6 by 11. Same question, but find PBA. Conditional probability, bacha, PBA. Yes, Bayes theorem is used for your questions in 3 marker, but for questions in 1 marker or 2 marker, you will have questions only in conditional probability or questions from the normal independent and dependent or definition of the probability questions. Please check. Okay. So let's bacha get started. 39th question number. PBA will be given by PB intersection A by PA. Correct now? B intersection A by PA. How do you solve it, sir? We have the value. Please check. We have to find the union from here. Let's find this. Okay, I can write here. PB intersection A will be nothing but PA plus PB minus PA union B. Right? It will become same thing. No, 4 by 11. Please check here. 6 plus 5 minus 7 will become, sir, 4 by 11. It will become, sir, 4 by 11. And about this, what we have, PA will be nothing but 6 by 11. 6 by 11. Cancelled. 4 by 6, 2 by 3. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. Answer is 2 by 3. Any option like that? Yeah, they've given 4 by 6. Good for us. 39 is done. Chaliye. Very good. Very good, bacha. 39 is done. 40 now. Please check. 40 now. If A and B are 2 events such that PA is not equal to 0, PB. Okay, okay. Excellent question, sir. PA will be equal to 1, bacha. How do you solve it, sir? Please check. It will become PB intersection with A divided by PA equal to 1. It means, sir, PB intersection A equals to PA. This can happen only if this is B and this is A. Right now, A and B intersection, how much is that, sir? A. It means A has to be a subset of B. A has to be a subset of B. Answer is option number A. Option number A. Please check. I'll take your question, Arudha Rangunathan, and get back to you. Okay. Let me just complete the session. No, a lot of people are waiting for the session to be complete, the MCQ at least. So let me just finish those questions and then get back to your questions. Don't worry, I'm not leaving. I will not leave until unless everyone is satisfied over here. That's my job. That's my guarantee. I'll not leave. Okay, so don't worry about it. So let's just figure out these questions, all of it. Please forgive me for that. Question number 40 is done. 41. 40. Any doubt so far, bacha? Any doubt in 40, 41 like that? Difference somebody is asking. Intersection. This is intersection, bacha. This is intersection. What is the union? Union is this part. But this will come 2 times, no? So remove that. Basically, this part, and this part only once you have to take. Only once, not 2 times. Okay? That is the union. Basically, if I have to draw that figure, I'll draw it like this. Okay? and write like this. So only once it has to be taken. That's your union. Please check. Okay. So 41 now we'll solve. Question number 41. I hope this was clear. Don't leave till exam, sir. I have not left, sir. I have not left. I am here. Did I leave? Okay, think about it. Whatever was asked from your side in any of the comment section of the video, we have not tried to deliver it. Not in maths, in all subjects. We are all here committed to our students. Nothing else, only for our students. Don't worry, I'm here. Okay. Okay, so a line makes equal angles with coordinate axis. Okay, it means, sir, alpha equals to beta equals to gamma. Three angles, no? With x, with y, with z. This with x, this with y, this with z. It means, sir, cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. Take it as the square over here. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is how much, sir? 1. L square plus m square plus n square is 1. I just wrote it. Properties, formulas has to be known by now. What we get? 3 times of cos square alpha equals to 1, leaving me with cos square alpha is 1 by 3. Getting it as cos alpha is 1 by root 3. Is it enough? Is this enough, sir? No. Write both sign plus and minus. In this case, it's very important. Both sign plus and minus is very, very important. So it will be same, no? We get here plus minus 1 upon root 3. Option is B. Option is B. 41B is right. Yes, but I'll provide. Don't worry. I'll ask right now. After the session is over, I'll call my team. I'll ask them to provide the PDF right away. Whatever is missing PDF, I'll ask them to provide. I think they have already uploaded in the WhatsApp channel. But if something is missing, do not let us know in the comment section of the video, not the stream. Okay. Once the live is over, let me know in the comment section of the video. Whatever you need, let it know. Let it be there. I'll ask them to put all of them in the WhatsApp channel. That works. Okay. Okay. 41 answer is B, bacha. Okay. Very good. Everyone is giving me right answer. So proud of all of you. So proud of all of you for being here since the beginning. It's almost 2 hours, right? And we have done only few questions, not much. But I hope I have taken a lot of questions, a lot of doubts from your side. I'll take more. I'm not leaving. This is not end, sir. This is not over. Come on. Question number 42. If a line has the direction ratio 2 minus 1 minus 2, they have given such a dr. Okay. They're asking us to find DC. You know this. They're given A as 2, B as minus 1, and C as minus 2. They're asking us DC. A upon root of this. So 2 square plus 1 plus 4. Same thing, no? 2 square only. So what I get this as? This, if I call this to be, let's say L. So my L value is nothing but 2 upon 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 9. 2 by 3, no? Correct, right? 2 square is 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 2 by 3. Okay. We'll have, of course, plus minus. Same goes with your M. Over here, there's a tricky thing. Please check. There's a minus sign over here, bacha. So right here, minus 1 divided by 3, but there will be a plus minus sign. There will be a plus minus sign. They'll change it. It becomes a minus 1 plus. I'll tell you how it matters. I'll tell you what. Don't worry. So if I get N will become same thing. You'll have plus minus 2 by 3. So answer will be minus plus 2 by 3. So basically what I'm trying to say here, no, you'll have two combinations. You'll have 2 over here with plus 2 by 3. You'll have negative of this, minus 1 by 3. Second will be minus 2 by 3. This is one combination of LMN. Other will be, bacha, over here, please check. You'll have minus 2 by 3 over here for L. M will be plus 1 by 3. And N will be again plus 2 by 3. That's why sign matters. That's why sign matters, sir. Okay, sir, when will you start probability questions? Okay, probability questions, bacha. I mean, I've taken some questions over here. If you want to solve probability questions, MCQs, I'm telling you, please go ahead, check my check review session or solve my one-shot probability question, one-shot MCQs. Okay, please check. Sir, when will you? Okay, that is done. Sir, x square minus 4x plus 6 increasing and decreasing. I'm taking screenshot right now. I'll solve this question. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, Ankita sir doubt. Ankita sir doubt. Ankit sir, I don't know. Ankita sir. Ankit sir doubt. I don't get it, bacha. Okay, Riyaz, I did not get your question. Let me move on now. 42 is done. Now question number 43. What is there? X minus 1 upon minus 3, y minus 2 upon 2k, z minus 3 upon 2. Perpendicular, right? So look, first thing is to look for the coefficient of x by z. It's always 1, so no problem there. Then what we're going to do, right here a1 equals to minus 3, b1 equals to 2k, and c1 equals to 2. These are the direction ratios for the first line. a2 equals to bacha 3k, b2 equals to 1, and c2 equals to minus 5. Multiply it. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 should be equal to 0. How come, sir? Perpendicular. Okay. Please check. I'm getting this as minus 9k plus 2k over here minus 10 equals 0. From here I get minus 7k. Bring on this side, I get here plus 10. So k equals to minus 10 by 7. Is it right? Is this right, guys? Please check. 43 is done. Yeah. All right. 43A is done. Guys, come back. My name is not Ankita. It's Ankit. It's all right. You can call me Ankita also. Not a problem. Okay. I don't mind anything. Whatever you guys call me, perfect for me. Not a problem. Good name. Okay. But we have a ma'am also with me, the same name. So it will be a little difficult to have this conversation in the office. Let's get ahead. Question number 44 now. Okay. The angle between the two diagonals of a cube. I've done this question very recently. Cos inverse of 1 by 3. Sir, don't know, sir. Please don't give answers, sir. Tell me how, sir. We'll solve it, sir. We will solve it, sir. No problem whatsoever. Please check. Cube. Will this cube work? Please let it work. Okay. This is x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Okay. If I call the cube the side edges to be a, I have this point in the 3D space. It'll become a comma a comma a. This is only an x and y, so it'll become a comma 0. This is origin, right? So I'll have 0 comma 0 comma 0, and this is only on the z-axis. It'll become so 0 comma 0 comma a. 0 comma 0 comma a, sir. Chaliye. So what we have over here, 0 0 comma a, and all right. Let's name the corners. I get here a. I'll take this like this. Okay, a b c d. Okay, a b c d. I wrote p. 1 second. A b c d. Okay, works. And take this as p q r and s. P q r and s. Okay. So my diagonals are actually, one diagonal is bacha from a to r, right? A to r. My diagonals are, please check. Diagonals are AR, okay, let's say vector form, so AR. Another one is PC, AR and PC. How that, bacha? Please check. For AR, take this combination, A minus 0. For A and R, A minus 0. How much is that? AI cap. Next, bacha. So again here, A minus 0 plus AJ cap. Last one. 0 minus a, so minus a k cap. Is that okay for AR vector? Other one what we have for PC vector, a minus 0 is ai cap, a minus 0 plus aj cap. How come, sir? Check, bacha. A minus 0, a minus a, sorry, a minus 0 again, and a minus 0. We have ai cap, aj cap, and a k cap. A k cap. All right. So what I'm getting over here, AR is AA minus A, and PC is AA plus A. I'm finding the angle, right? So cos theta will become dot product of this AR dot with PC divided by mod AR mod PC. All of you agree, right? So if you do the dot product, what are you going to get? A with A is A square, A with A is again A square, and minus A with A is minus A square. Please check. A with A is A square, A with A is A square, A minus A with A is minus A square. Cancel that this part. Denominator, please check. I'm getting here A square plus A square plus A square in the denominator for one of the mod. A square plus A square plus A square for one of the mod. Again, you'll have same thing for the other one as well. So A square plus A square plus A square. What I'm getting now, please check. I have the numerator same thing. A square divided by root 3. So root 3 A square into root 3 a square, giving me this value as, please check, a square upon 3 root of a power 4. How much is that? A square upon simply 3a square, no? Simply 3a square, sir. Cancel this out. 1 by 3, sir. 1 by 3, sir. So I'm getting here, please check, I'm getting here cos theta is 1 by 3 means theta is cos inverse of 1 by 3. Theta is cos inverse of 1 by 3. Theta is cos inverse of 1 by 3. Done. So I think your chat was stuck, bacha. Sir, you are really kind. Thank you. You think sir's name is okay? Fine, that is covered. Next, what we have? 44th is done. Now, sir, we are over with your MCQs. We are over with your MCQs. So we'll wait. I'll take some of your doubts that you have. Then we'll move on to your 3 and 5 marker. Okay? We'll take your doubts. We'll take your doubts. Yes, why not? If you've done everything, no, then repeat again. That is what called revision. We have done everything, but we are still doing it. I've done so many MCQs. We have done, think about it, we have done one Chakravarti series itself for MCQs, but again we came back and did one slot for MCQs. Why? Revision is important, okay? So let's move on what we have. The minimum, yes, study Sonu, yes, study Sonu. Sorry, bacha, I forgot your question. I'll solve it first before I move on to anything else. What we have, thank you for the patience, sir. 1 minus x plus x square divided by 1 plus x, what we have, plus x square, right? This is the function. Minimum value of this, please check. Can we make this factor, bacha? Is a factor possible? No, right? Can we factorize it? No. We have to do the difficult task. What is that? Can I tell you the steps, bacha? It takes a lot of time to solve this question. So after practicing these MCQs, can I score 20 out of 20? Think about it. If you practice only 42 questions and get 20 marks, will this be fair to examination? No, of course not. But yes, if you're asking me how to get 20 out of 20, I'll tell you a few things. First thing is to please know all the formulas, all the basic definitions from all the chapters that is coming. Okay, check the model question paper, see the trend of the questions. Again, after that, do the horse of some chapters like probability is there, AOD is there, continuity, differentiability is there, and there's one more I forgot the name, determinant function. So please there. Okay, we solve those questions. Now apart from this, coming back to study some new questions. So let's solve this 1 minus x plus x square, 1 plus x plus x square. How do you solve, bacha? You have to apply here quotient rule. Apply here quotient rule. Do it and put it equal to 0. From there you're going to get the critical points and you can solve the question directly, very easily. I'm telling you, please solve this question. If you want, I can tell you with one of the steps it will become 0 minus 1 plus 2x, keeping this one as it is, 1 plus x square, minus sign will come, okay, and then you have to keep this part as it is, and it will become 0 plus 1 plus 2x, okay, and it will become 1 minus x plus x square as it is, whole thing divided by whole square of the denominator, okay, put it equal to 0. From here you have to find the critical point. Sir, what should I do for tomorrow? And I have almost done everything. I have done a gap study analysis video. Okay, please go ahead and check it out. Okay, sir, for application of integration of an area of circle, can we put x as sine theta? AOI में sine theta, why would you put, bacha? Yeah, the formula is there, no, for that. This formula is saying, right? This formula is saying, no? We have formula for this, right? You'll get this as x by 2, same root. And then you get, bacha, plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. This is the formula, right? Please check. Chaliye. Guys, hello Navya Siri. Yes, you are late. Why are you late? Okay, Srinidhi, in one day how to complete all already studied questions, please guide. So what you can do, no? Since you studied everything, so you can be fast track in that. For example, pick out the high weighted chapters first. Okay. Excuse me. All right. Okay, so sorry for that. What you can do is simply pick out your high weightage chapter first and quickly solve those questions. If you want, you can refer one of my videos of 5 marker, 3 marker, like that. Solve those questions first. Because why am I saying those videos? No, I've done PYQs there, bacha. That's very relevant. Right now at examination, PYQ is very relevant because it gets you in the mood of examination. Okay, means this kind of question can come. You don't have to challenge too much of yourself. So PYQs is good enough. Then if you want some solved examples of those topics, then what you can do is so starting from high weightage to low weightage, you can go. Starting from PYQs, you want to practice question, right? PYQs, solved example, that is more than enough. Some extra questions you have, if you made a question list, you can follow that as well. Chaliye. So more of a revision than you're solving anything. Don't solve everything, in detail. Just go through it. You have done it, You have done it in a notebook. Please go through it quickly. Okay. So what we have, so did I see, one second guys, let me know, study Sonu, did I clear it out, bacha? Can you solve this now? Can you solve this now? Study Sonu, please tell me. This is your question. Sorry I took it so late. Thank you for being patient. Right. So there was a lot of questions from all of you guys. Sir, what should I do? I told you that GM. Okay, please plan now for examination. Okay, yes sir, I got it. Very good, Sonu. Very good, bacha. Okay, please plan now for examination. Okay, so I'm telling you what. So if your everything is complete, okay, so start from this. Start from formula. Okay, start from the formula. What formulas, bacha? Start from integration first. And before that, actually, you start from vectors first. Vector and 3D. After this, you go to integration. Okay, and then other chapters also are there. You can go to that. And then, bacha, start from what? High weighted chapters like C and D is there. You have division and function also. You have what do you call? You have your vector 3D. Matrices also is there. Matrices and determinant is there. Okay. All right. And you have vector and 3D. You have integration, of course. You have vector and 3D. So like these chapters list you can make, and then do one thing. By solving so many questions now, you will know the trend of the questions which is coming in the examination. So in C and D, bacha, questions coming from differentiation. C and D, what is question coming, bacha? C and D, we are getting second order derivative a lot of times. Second order derivative is coming, sir. Please check, all of you. In C and D, second order derivative question is coming all the time. Okay, and then what else is coming, sir? Over here we have some derivation also present. So can we ask for substitution? Substitution can also be asked. Okay, then we have questions in continuity. Questions based upon modulus, mod of x questions, the differentiability question, GIF question can be also asked. So like this you can make a list of it and solve those questions. Okay. Sir, you don't answer my question. Okay, did I miss it? Sir, how to know if function is differentiable? Arey bacha, I said na. So you look for the, now first thing is discontinuous. If it is discontinuous means non-differentiable. If it is discontinuous means non-differentiable. Okay. If you can draw the graph, of the function, it has corners or it has a break in the function. Let's say like this. This is all the reason of non-differentiability. Okay. So these are two reasons that you have to focus on: discontinuity and the sharp corners. Please check sharp corners. Okay. I lose only 1 or 2 marks in the MCQs. Uday Kicha is saying, first of all, very good. Only 1 mark or 2 marks is okay. So I would say please practice HOTS questions. So refer my check review series. Okay. Wherever you're losing marks to those chapters, check review you can refer. In that I have done HOTS. So I think you're losing marks in HOTS question. Okay. Anything else? Anything other questions you have? I'm not able to. Okay, that is. I'm not able to understand application of derivative. Can you explain? But this AOD has 3 parts in it, right? AOD has 3 parts in it. AOD has 3 parts in it. Okay. So first part is rate of change. First part is rate of change. Excuse me. Rate of change. This is very simple. What you can do over here is practice questions on the rate of change of volume, rate of change of when the stone is thrown in the water, the lake, the ripple is increasing. Okay, so that question will become basically use of dv by dr, dr by dt. Those kind of questions are there. Okay, so please practice those. Second part will be maxima and minima. Try to use here bacha second derivative test. Okay. And the last is bacha increasing and decreasing function. So in this, what you have to check for? Only two conditions are there. Derivative is positive or derivative is negative. Positive means increasing, negative means decreasing. Okay. Manju is saying, sir, explain in Kannada, bacha, as I already said. Okay, please forgive me today. I'm working on it. Very soon I'll be able to, first of all, I cannot teach in Kannada because over here I'm able to, there are students who don't understand Kannada. So over here on our platform, I have to teach mathematics in English only, but I will try to include more language, the Kannada language, in my conversation. I hope that helps. Please forgive me for today. Okay, Manju. Uday, thank you, bacha. Sir, from differential equations, I think linear and variable separable methods only come. Very good. That's a good understanding. Actually, yes. 5 mark question can come in LDE. From LDE, na, 5 mark question can come. 5 marks question. So very, very important. Please check. Okay. What else? Rekha sir, definite integrals is a bit tough for me. What should I do? But are there any important questions from? Yes, that is there, bacha. So in definite, what is there? The property based derivations are there. Rekha, I hope you can hear me. So Rekha, the questions based on the properties of definite, that is very, very important. So please go ahead and make sure that you are solving those questions. Okay. The properties, for example, even or odd function is there, na? Then there is this property is there, 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This kind of property is there, no? Right? Then the break property, 0 to a to b is there, you break a to c and c to b. Those properties are there. It's given in the NCERT. Derivation is very important. Simple question will be asked. If you know the property, think about it. Or even function. That question was asked in 6 mark. They said that I'll tell you what. I'll tell you the question. 1 second. I'll tell you the question. The question was, of course, minus a to a was given. F of x dx. For odd and even, you have to prove this. For odd and even, property was asked to be proven. After that, they asked you this. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine power 7x dx. Simple 0, sir. This question was given for 6 marks. Think about it. Okay. PUC can be asked like this. So that's why very, very important. Okay. Please go through these properties. Rekha, sir, question like sine power 5 cos. Correct. Correct. Or even an odd combination. Yes. That is there, bacha. Indefinite integrals. Question like this. Yeah. Difficult for me. Why difficult, bacha? Simply replace this x as minus x, na? Okay, or what you're saying, yeah, ignore them, sir. Most of us find that this really helpful without the language barrier. Thank you, bacha. Thank you so much. I'm not ignoring anyone. Okay, I'm just asking you guys for allowing me to make some adjustment to my I'm here to learn. Like you guys are here to learn, I'm also here to learn. Okay, so I'll make those changes, don't worry. Okay. So I have a fear sir, I have fear. Srinidhi is saying I have fear of examination even though I learned all types of questions. How to overcome it? So first of all, if you've learned everything, if you've learned everything, fear can be a good thing, bacha. Let's say, for example, I'll tell you what, whenever I'm trying to buy a car, okay, I've not bought it many times, but once or twice, whenever I was going for buying my car, buying my bike, okay, so buying a new phone, whatever it is, last night I can't sleep. Before, the night before this event, I cannot sleep. Okay, that's a very bad thing, but I cannot because I am very anxious about it. Happy, confident, I'm making the right decision. So I go for a different variant, whatever it is. So same goes with this thing. Any big event coming in your life will make you anxious, but it's okay. It means you want this to happen. You're very prepared for it. Okay, so being nervous is not a bad thing all the time. You want it. That's why you are, and you just focus on one thing. Whenever you are coming, having any negative thoughts is coming in your mind, anything negative coming in your mind, remember, you have worked. That cannot go away. That cannot go away. If you've learned cycling, can you forget it ever? You cannot forget. Means you've learned something, you've learned a question, you've learned a formula. How can you forget? You cannot forget. I can bet on you. I can bet on you. Shreyas, you cannot forget a formula. You cannot. I believe in you. Just you believe in yourself. Okay. What else are there? Sir, yes sir, I understood now. Okay, sir, in odd even function, if we get odd, can we? Yes, that's what you're gonna do. Just prove it odd, no? Just prove this f of minus x equals to minus f of x. Prove it and then write odd is 0. Write the integration from minus a to a, f of x equals to 0. Okay, do we have to do the whole integration, all exercises? No. Why? Integration, why will you do whole, sir? You don't have time for all of that. Okay, if you want to do NCERT, do only solved examples. Solved examples. Okay. Sir, could you make a small video on linear programming? Just important questions. Really, linear programming? But yeah, every session I've taken only one question or two questions like that. That is more than enough in linear programming, sir. I've taken a question over here also. If you allow me, I can proceed. Okay. What is this there, sir? Hey, anyone who gave Kannada exam today, please tell me. Guys, please let him know. Was live webcam. Okay. What is this? What is this question? Shy me. Study Sonu. If A and B are events such that PA by B equals to PB by A, then okay. Sonu is asking this question. PA by B equals to PB A. Okay. Upon PB equals to cancels. What I'm getting, bacha? Is the answer right, Sonu? Please check. So how to integrate x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1? X cube plus x plus 1 divided by bacha, yes sir, Lakshmi, I have done, bacha. 2 and 3 marks important questions, sir. 1 day gap. I have done, bacha. I have done 2 and 3 mark important question. No, I have not done. Please check my session. Sir, can you explain all derivations in the diagram tricks? So diagram tricks, where's diagram? So as to remember easily. Achha, diagram tricks you're saying, figure tricks, what I teach you in MCQs, that was saying, right? Okay. But in odd and events, they will give us to evaluate if it's odd. So to write directly 0? No, don't write it directly 0. I said no, apply this concept, no? Please check this one. This one you can write, no? Just write here, f of minus x is coming as fx or not. Prove like this, you have to prove it, bacha. Sine power 7x was there. Now, so prove here. From here you take sine of minus x power 7. It will become minus sine x power 7. It will become minus sine 7x. Hence negative. Okay. So, alright, Rekha is asking this question. Sir, how to integrate this? Okay. Let's just solve this question for her. X square minus 1 is there, no? So I think x minus 1 and x plus 1 is there. Okay. Can you factorize this? Can you factorize this question? You can't. You have to do the division actually over here. I'll tell you the hint, Rekha. Bacha, actually, if you try to integrate, this is integration, right? Yeah. 1 second. It's a question of bacha partial fractions. X cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, na Rekha. Can you make this, bacha? Is it a proper fraction? Is it a proper, the question is it a proper partial fraction? Is it? It's not. Check here, the power is 3, the power is 2. What are you going to do? Do the division. You have to apply long division method. Apply long division method. Okay. So like this you have to do x square minus 1 x cube plus x cube plus x plus 1. Okay. And from there you're going to get a remainder. For that you're going to apply, bacha, what? So whatever you get, no remainder, let's call this to be remainder. 1 second. I can do a little bit more help to you. Okay, 1 second, bacha. Okay. So whatever you get remainder, no? So over here will be quotient. You'll have over here something as remainder, right? So your question will become, please check, it will become q plus, have a look, q plus r upon x square minus 1. So this will be easier to integrate. It will be polynomial. And for this you can make the partial fractions now. Rekha, does it help now? Please check. Rekha, I want your answer. Shreyas, you are the best, sir. Thank you for giving confidence. Thank you, bacha. No problem. I hope you got it, Rekha. So, bacha, this cube will be a polynomial, okay? And this will become now proper fraction. You can apply now x minus 1, x plus 1 concept of the partial fractions, right? You'll get two variables there. You can solve it, no? I hope you understand that. Okay, very good, Rekha. Okay, any other doubts you have, bacha? Should I solve these questions or not? I don't know why people are, not interested. After division, do we get 2x plus 1? But I don't know that. I have to solve it. No, please try it, okay? Please try it from your side. Rekha, allow me to do that. I'll ask you to do that. Please try it from your side. Okay. I've done a question like this as well in my one of the sessions. I forgot which one. Otherwise, I would have told you. I think in my one shot session, that marathon, in the marathon I've done this question. Similar question I've done, not this one, but similar I think I've done. Similar, or please check either marathon or your what do you call your Model paper number 3. Either of these I have done there. Okay, chaliye. Thank you, Rekha. It's not Rekha, it's Reksha, right? Reksha. Sorry, bacha. Sorry, I've been taking your name wrong. I thought Rekha actually. Sorry. Okay. Yes, sir, I will check. So please check. How do you solve this question, sir? We have 2xy plus y square minus 2x square dy by dx. Achha, first of all, I can show you some questions over here. You let me know. Sorry, okay, sorry guys for that. So this is one question on LDE. 5 marker can be asked for this. I've taken more questions. This one. Okay, how do you solve this question, sir? I'll give you a hint for all these questions. Will that work? If you want, I can solve the entire thing, not a problem. But I'll give you a hint so that we can quickly finish the session. Okay, so we have d 2xy plus y square. Divide everything by 2x square. Why, sir? We want the quotient of x by to be this to be always 1. So plus y square will keep like this. Plus y square will keep like this. Looks messy. So everything you write is messy, isn't it? I know, bacha. Sorry for my handwriting. Very bad, no? Okay, so 2x square dy by dx. Bring this thing over here. You get 2xy upon 2x square plus y square upon 2x square. Right? Yeah. And you have this simply as dy by dx. dy by dx. Okay. So please check here. I'm getting this cancelled. Okay, I'll have this as 2y by, no, this also is cancelled, no? This also is cancelled. We get here, so simply y by x, right? Simply y by x. 1 second. Y by x plus y by x, the whole square we have, and 1 by 2 is there, and you have dy by dx. Please check. Okay. Cos. Okay, yes, you're saying, I think you were saying for this question, no? You're saying for this question, right? Will you take cos t? Cos x as t. I didn't get your question. After division, do we get 2x plus 1? Not much, I don't. That is a different one, right? That is for the previous question. Okay, so what about this, sir? Then what are you going to do for over here? Please check. You can write this y by x as, or simply v, right? It will become y equals to vx. Apply this form over here. Okay, chaliye. Sir, which chapter are you doing right now? But chapter wise the session is not going on right now. Sorry for that. We have done in the beginning of the session. So COVID is asking right now. In the beginning we talked the chapter wise formula I went through. Now I'm going to basically questions that I've felt is important, is very relevant. At the last minute I've taken those questions over here. Okay. Chapter wise, if you want to, I've done your marathon. Chapter wise, all chapters I've discussed over there. Please watch the session. It's not a recorded session, so no disturbance for you. Watch the session, whichever chapter you want in the marathon I've done. I hope that is clear. So you can do it like this, no? I've given you all the hints that is required. Next question we're going to do. This one. This question, sir. Let me call this to be question number 2. So if I take this x to be as a tan theta, I think job is done. Job is done now, right? It will become 1 upon so I can take a square common, tan square theta plus 1. Okay, we'll have please check. I can substitute this right here as dx. I'm going to change that as well. We'll get here dx equals to a sec square theta. Okay, a sec square theta. So I'm gonna get this as dx equals to a sec square theta d theta, right? So this whole thing will transform into, have a look, d theta is there, and I'm getting here a sec square theta divided by a square. Again, same thing will come over here. Same thing will come over here. All right. Same thing will come over here as sec square theta. Eliminate these two. A and a is cancelled. I'm getting here simply integration of 1 by a d theta will be nothing but 1 by a theta. From here you can solve this. You can solve this. From here 1 by a tan inverse of theta. Okay. So I can see students are not there anymore. Okay. So sir, please tell me if this year's exam will have webcam. Okay. So do one thing. Leave this comment. I will have to check, bacha. So I hope it is having. Okay, I think it's having. So Shaimi, just leave this comment in the comment section of this video, not at the live. We'll get back to you. Okay. So I think this has been a little late as well. almost 3 hours we are about to complete. So whoever, if you guys want me to, I will solve the questions. Otherwise, I can show you the problems. You can solve from here, right? It'll become 1 by a tan inverse of theta by a. Okay, please check. And you're gonna take this as Reksha said, cos x as t. Cos x as t. So whole thing will become bacha minus dt by 1 plus t square. Please check. Okay, so this is good. Have a look. Second one, from here you can solve it, no? The formula is here. Okay, I thought everybody left, but now they came back. So we'll one LPP question. Somebody was asking me for LPP question, right? So let's solve some LPP question. So what we have, yes, very good study Sonu, very good bacha. Maximize 3x plus 4y subject to constraints is given like this. So let's draw the graph for this as well. But we have x here, we have y here. Okay, so what we're gonna get, please check. So write the constraint without your inequality. What are we gonna get over here? Please check. Okay, x plus y equal to 4 bacha. Okay, there's only one constraint I've taken. That is so easy question. Sorry guys, I've taken an easy question over here, but I've done in all my sessions. Okay, good question. So please allow me, please forgive me for doing a very easy question over here. Okay, so we are gonna take this as my required area. First quadrant, so this is my feasible reason. Okay, again this is not my question, I've taken it from model question paper. So if it is easy means it's easy coming in from your not model paper, sorry, it is from the question bank, forgive me, from question bank. Okay, by your boards. So 0, 0, very easy question, right? Okay, so sir, we have the coordinate points known now, 0, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 4. Right here coordinate points, right here z, x plus y, no 3x plus y, no 3x plus 4y is there. We have over here 3x plus 4y. Achha, I hope all of you know how to find these coordinate points, right? How to find this? Somebody was saying, what if sir we have a line passing through this point? How do you solve this part? How to solve this part? So bacha, if it is passing from this point, no, it will be like this, y equal to x or y equal to 2x like this, no? Correct? What are you going to do? So if there's a, let's say, if they are mentioning from the inequality x greater than y, what is going to be the required area? Below this, right? If you are getting x less than y, you will have this above. Please check. The only point is this. I'm going to erase some things. I want to teach you that part first before I move on and solve this question. If I have, let's say, 1 second. Let's say if I have a equation like this, and if you are having equality greater than side on x, you will have the area below. This will be the area. Okay. This will be the area. Okay. But if you're looking for less than y, you'll get to go above. You have to please choose the area like this. Okay. Please check. So likewise, you can solve these questions. Okay. Now from here, you already got the points. So in this particular case, you have this LD. So you have the area to be like this. I'll erase all of this. Okay. So you'll get what, sir? You have only 3 coordinate points. This is nothing but 0, 4, 4, 0 and 0, 0. Check here, we have 3x plus 4y, right? We'll get here 16, we'll get here 12 and we'll get here 0. This is my maxima, z max. So my z max value is nothing but z max is 16 at what point? 0, 4, sir. Okay, please check. Now I have some doubts, I'll just go through this. Okay, Dhanashri is saying, sir, do we get unbounded region questions for 6 marker? But if you check out your PYQs, no, you have not got any questions for the last, I think, 7-8 years or 10 years. I've checked your PYQs recently. It was not there. Okay, so usually no, but if you get, even if you get, you can solve it, right? It will not be difficult. Okay, please try. But I don't think you have any questions like this in your PYQs. But you can solve one question, that is it. I'm asking you to solve one question on it. Can you do that, Dhanashri? Sir, linear equations using matrix 3x minus 2y. Okay. But are you asking me to solve the questions on linear equations which is having 3 variables and 3 cross 3 matrix? Shaimi? Raksha, sir, in LPP, one of the questions had constraint x minus 2y greater than 0. Okay. Towards x-axis or y-axis in the graph. Okay. Bacha, it will become below, no? You're going to take this part. X will be greater than 2y, right? Down, sir. That's the area. Raksha. So 16 at a point 4, correct, Shonu? Shaimi, solve the following. Okay, I got it. Point. I got your point. You're asking me to solve a question based upon a matrix method. Okay, fine. Shaimi, I'll solve this question. So can you do a question from definite integrals? Okay, I'll see if I've taken which is the minimum value. 12 was 0. 0 is minimum, sir. Okay, sure, sir. If they give 3 equations, okay, fine. So we'll take 3 equations. Okay, where 3 equations, bacha? In the LPP or in the matrix? They're saying, Arnav is saying 3 equations in LPP or in matrix. In LPP, if they've given, you draw all the 3 equations. The line will come like this or like this, wherever it is. This is going to be your area. If it is given all less than, okay, does not matter. Any number of lines they give you, you can solve it, right? Okay, now let me just take some questions. Somebody has asked me a doubt. LPP, yes, bacha. I've already drawn the graphs. You can draw any graphs and check the inequality. That's all it matters. And usually we take three equations only, no? Usually we take 3 constants only. One will be like this, other will be like this, one will be like this. You get this as the area. Remember those questions we have solved? You get this also as the area sometimes. We have solved this. This is all PYQs only. Remember this, we have solved all these questions. So we get 3 constraint problems. Multiple occasions we have solved and seen. Okay, so let me just have some water. Give me 1 second. I'll get back to your questions on matrix. Don't worry. And your definite integral problems. Okay. So yeah, see. So we take towards x. That is done. So those doubts I've taken already. What else is there? So I think there was some. Okay, this is somebody was asking me this question. I think somebody was asking me this question. I'll solve it if you have left right now. If you're not available right now, I'll solve it for you. After this, I'll solve. Right now, I will go to the different integral question. I'll solve it. You can see it later. Okay. So this one I'll solve, bacha. What is it? Prove that A to B. And there's a mistake in the question. I have told you this in my one of the session as well. This is given as A to B, right? Over here it's A to B. It's given here as B to A. So make this change A to B, sir. Make this change A to B. So there's a derivation. You can see this is a 6-marker question. How do you solve it? Please check. It'll become, sir, first of all, we know the property. If I take the integration of the function fx dx equals to basically, let's say gx plus c. If you take bacha integral of the function fx dx from where to where? From a to c. What are you going to get? Please check. You're going to get a to c as g of c minus g of a. Okay? Correct, right? If you take the same thing from c to b, right, you're going to get fx integral c to b as simply, please check, g of b minus g of c. All right, and if you add these two, you're going to get this and this cancelled. You're ending up with, please check, g of b minus g of a. And how much is this? Please check. We're getting here integral a to c fx dx plus integral c to a fx dx. Is this clear? What is this part? This is my RHS part. Have a look. This is my RHS part. What about LHS, sir? What about LHS, sir? Have a look. For this part, if I'm integrating a to b fx dx, what is my answer going to be? G of b minus g of a only, na? Which is same as this. Same as the this is LHS, right? Hence proved, sir. Hence proved. Please check. Sir, is there a live session tomorrow? If yes, what time? But sir, there's no live session tomorrow. As of now, there's no live session tomorrow. Okay. Is there second PUC Hindi classes in the channel? No, but as of now, we don't have any Hindi classes at this channel. Okay. So, Srinidhi, I hope I have cleared your doubts. So, this is how you do this part. And what about this question, sir? Break this question. Modulus is there. From 2 to 5, you're going to break. Why 5, sir? This is a critical point over here. What's the critical point? How do you find critical point? Put x minus 5 equal to 0. Put x minus 5 equal to 0. It means x equals to 5 is the critical point. So 2 to 5, what will happen to this mod, sir? Open with a minus sign. X minus 5 dx is there. Okay. And with after that, from 5 to 8, you'll open with, sir, plus sign. Can you integrate this? Of course, we can integrate this, sir. It will become x square by 2 minus 5x is there. From 2 to 5 plus x square by 2 minus 5x is there from 5 to 8. Please check. You can solve it now. Can you put the values now? For 5 and 2, it will become 25 by 4 like that. Please check. 25 by 4 minus 25. Again, you're gonna get minus 4 by 2 minus 20. Please check. Likewise, you can solve it. I'm not doing the last part. Please solve this square part. Everyone, whoever asked this question, please solve this part. Okay, I hope this is clear. Done. Now this is done, bacha. I'm gonna move on to your next question, which was about your linear equations. Somebody was asking me this question. I'll solve it anyway for you. Don't worry. Even this is present over here. 3 cross 1. Somebody is asking me. I think I forgot the name. I think I remember the name. Somebody is asking me for this question. 3 cross 1 and 1 cross 3 multiplication. Okay, you can solve this question very easily, bacha. Minus 2, 4 and 5, and you have 1, 3 and minus 6. Multiply this. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6 is plus 12. Okay, what do you get? 4 into 1 is 4, 12 and minus 24. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 is 15 and 5, 5, 6, 30. They are asking for multiplication. I've done this over here. Okay, now before so over here I can do this. No, this is my AB part. What you can do is take the transpose. Okay, this part I'm doing only multiplication. You have to do from your side the transpose and everything. Okay, I was only asked the multiplication part, so please do it from your end. I'm gonna move on to Shaimi's question. I think I've taken one of the question like this over here. Have I not? Yes, I've taken a question. Shaimi, so if I solve this question, it will be okay. 3 by 3 matrix will be there. Please check here. Is this okay, bacha? Okay, so we'll keep this as our last question. So if I'm finding bacha A inverse, before that I have to find determinant of A. Please check. It'll turn out to be like this. For 2 I'm gonna get what? Minus 4. Minus 4. And 1 into minus 4 is what, bacha? 1 into minus 4 will be minus 4 will become plus 4 again. You'll have 0. Do for this, you'll get plus 3 because there's a minus 3 over here. You'll get plus 3 when you change the sign. And you get what now? Minus 6. Minus 6. And you get plus 4. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 and you get plus 4 over here. And when you do for plus 5, what do you get, sir? For plus 5, what do you get? Please check. You get here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. Have a look. What you're getting? This is 0. Okay. You're getting here 3 times of minus 2. You're getting here plus 5 times of 1, leaving me with minus 1. So your determinant of A is not equal to 0. Right? Once that is done, please check. Once that is done, that part is done. What you can do, bacha? You can find this adjoint of A. So your A inverse will become, please check, adjoint of A by determinant of A. By determinant of A. How do you find adjoint, sir? Very simple. Write the same matrix. 2 minus 3, 5, 3, 2 and minus 4, 1, 1 and minus 2. Repeat the first 2 rows. Okay, so you write here 2 minus 3 and 5. Write here 3, 2 and minus 4. From here, please check. Please check. Now repeat the first 2 columns. So what do you get? 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. From here, 3 minus, so we have minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3 and 2. Correct? What are you going to do now? Strike out the first 2 and column. Strike out these 2. Please check. So what we're going to get? Use this conditions to find. In columns we will use, vertical rows we'll use, columns we'll use, and write the answer in my result. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4 plus 4, 0, sir. Next one, bacha. 5 into, what we get? 1 into 5 is 5 and 3 into 2 is 6 with a minus sign, of course. We get here minus 1. We get here 12 minus 10, right? Will be 2. This is the first row of adjoint A. Adjoint A. Please check. Yeah. So what we're getting now? This is your first vertical column is done. I'll move on to the second one. Over here, please check. So I'll erase this one first. What I've taken the cross multiplication part. Have a look. Okay, Shaimi, I'm doing it. Don't worry, bacha. You asked for it. I will not skip it. Okay. Minus 4 plus 6, right? Minus 4 into 1 is what, bacha? Minus 4. Minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Add it. Subtraction will make positive. This is minus 4 plus 6. So minus 2. Please take minus 2. What is now? Minus 4. So that is, yeah. Excuse me. Minus 4 minus 5. So minus 9, I think. Minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Minus 5 will be minus 9. 15 plus 8, right? So 23. Please check. 5 3s are 15, and you get here minus 8. Subtraction will make it positive. Plus it will be 23. So this is done. We'll move on to this last vertical row now. 3 into 1 minus 2 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. We get here minus 3, minus 2. So minus 5. We get here 4 and plus 9, right? So 13, no? 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. There's a minus sign making it positive, so 13. Adjoint A is done, bacha. So what is my answer going to be so far for inverse? Right here, the adjoint, and change the sign. 0 minus 1, 2. 0 minus 1 and 2. What else we have? Minus 2 minus 9 and 23. Minus 2 minus 9 and 23. What else now? 1 minus 5 and 13. 1 minus 5 and 13. Divided by what, bacha? This is a minus sign. No, divided by minus 1. Change the sign. What do we get? Inverse equals to, please check here. I'm getting here 0 plus 1 minus 2, 2, 9 minus 23, minus 1, 5 and minus 13. Multiply this with, to get x, bacha, you're going to multiply A inverse to B. How come, sir? Please check here. This is the A inverse, no? 2 minus 3 and 5. Okay, we have 3, 2 minus 4. And we have 1, 1 minus 2. So the same matrix A is there. What is x, bacha? X is going to be x, y, z. And your B will be 11 minus 5 and minus 3. Your B will be, matrix B is nothing but 11 minus 5 and minus 3. Please check. Done. 11 minus 5 and minus 3. That is done. Alright. So right here, x equals to, A will come like this. I have to multiply. Just give me 1 second. I'll give you the right answer. Just a second. Okay. Okay, sir. We have here 0, 1 and minus 2. We have here 2, 9 and minus 13. We have here minus 5. Sorry, minus 1. Excuse me. Minus 1. We have 5 and we have minus 13. This is 23. Okay. What else we have? 11 minus 5 and minus 3. Answer for my matrix X is coming like this. Please check. 0 is 0, minus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6. 1 into minus 5 is minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. What now? 11 into 2 is 22. 22. 9 into minus 5 is minus 45. And we have minus 23 into minus 3. So plus 69. What else now? Minus 1 into 11 is minus 11. 5 into minus 5 is minus 25. We get last one, minus 13 into 3 is plus 39. Please check. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. We get here, something is wrong. 22 minus, I think this should be minus 22, no? Something is wrong here, bacha. 67, right? It should be 67. Yeah, it should be 2 actually. Something is wrong, sir. I have taken something wrong. Yeah. This is minus 2, no? This is minus 2. Please check here. I've made some mistake over here. Is it right? Is it 11 minus 5 and minus 3? Have a look. Okay, this one is coming as minus 2. They make a mistake in the second one. Have a look. Minus 4 plus 6 is a plus 2, bacha. Sorry. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. 3 into 2 is minus 6. This is a subtraction row, so it will become plus 2. This is a mistake over here. It will become plus 2, bacha. Please check. Okay, so it will be plus 2 over here, and it will be minus 2 over here. Excuse me. It will be minus 2 over here. Now it will become, so minus 22 will become, yeah, minus 22 only. You will have 2 over here. 67 plus minus 67 plus 69 is nothing but 2 over here. Strong, very silly mistake. Forgive me for that. What next we have? Minus 1 into 11 is minus 11. Okay, we already done that. But we're getting here 36, right? Minus 36 plus 39. How much is that? 3. So your x, y, z, please check, is nothing but 1, 2, 3. Shaimi is done, bacha. Shaimi, please check, is done. Shaimi. From here to the top. Cutouts. Done, right? Okay. Is it done now? I'll just do one question as promised. I told you that I'll do this question, so I will do this. Last question of the day, and then I'll complete the session. Okay. So we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Okay. How will you integrate this, sir? It's an ellipse. So draw the ellipse. The major axis is on A. So right here, A over here. Right, 0. We know all this is going to be same, right? So write this as area A. This also has area A. This also has area A. This also has area A. Okay. So my required area will be nothing but area A times 4. This A plus this A plus this is 4A. Okay. How do you find area, bacha? Integrate the function y with x with the dx from 0 to a. From 0 to a. This area I'm talking about. How do you find y, sir? Make the y a subject. You'll get y square by b square equals to 1 minus x square by a square. From here what you get? Y square equals to b square by a square root of a square minus x square. So from here you're getting y equals to b by a root of a square minus x square. Okay. Now apply this formula. So you can again integrate this as b by a will come outside. This is for area A only. Okay. And you'll have root of a square minus x square dx, of course, from where to where? From 0 to a. It will become b by a, please check, x by 2, same root will repeat. Okay. You have of course there will be a plus sign. You have a square by 2 and root of, sorry, not root of, sine inverse. Hi Baswaraj. Sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x by a. So it becomes x by a. From where to where? From 0 to a. From 0 to a, bacha. When you do that, what are you going to get? Please solve this. You're going to get the answer to be as pi ab by 4. Pi ab by 4, sir. If you find the required area, no? The required area is nothing but 4 times of a, right? So it will become 4 times of pi ab by 4. What is going to be? Answer will be simply pi ab. Answer will be simply pi ab. Have a look. Pi ab. Please check, guys. Okay, so I think this is it. Hi Baswaraj. So bacha, thank you, sir. Good, very good, bacha. So one of you were asking this, that's why I've solved this question, no other reason. So this is it. The session is complete, bacha. Now I can see not everybody is there now, and there's no doubts I think left. All of you have asked your questions. I know it's been a long session, more than 3 hours actually, so it was very good. I loved being here with all of you. I love that I could help you guys. Okay, so thank you for joining in. So I'm gonna give you this PDFs, don't worry, I'm gonna give you this PDFs. You can just take it from there and solve some more questions. If you want, you can refer my sessions for all 1 marker, all 2-3 marker, all 5 marker. Passing package is there. We have done questions there as well. We have done questions in my one-shot video. We have done questions in marathon, live marathon for all the chapters I've done. Okay. Also, this was there, our doubt session, as well as you can refer my Chuck review series for MCQs, HOTS. Okay. And from HOTS series, you can also refer. Okay. So anything else you have, K. Srinivas? Okay. Thank you, bacha. Reksha, thank you so much, sir, for this. No problem, bacha. I'm here for that. Anything else you want from our side? If I can do, I know the time is limited, but if it's possible to do from my side, I'll do it. Pakka. Okay, somebody is asking for question PDF solutions or something, PDFs of the some sessions is missing or something like that. But I'm asking you, please check the WhatsApp channel. I think everything is given over there. I'll ask team right now to check the PDFs for all the sessions. Should be there. Okay, chaliye. So with this, I'm gonna end the session today. I had lovely time being here. However long it was, okay, not that long, but it was good. Study Sonu, bacha, you were great. You were there from the beginning till this point, and thank you for being patient, bacha. Sorry I missed your question, no, forgive me for that. So thank you, sir. I promise that I'll do my best. I know you will do my best. You don't have to promise. I believe in you. First thing is believe in yourself. Stay committed to your belief. Okay, if you are having actually self-belief, no, rest all will not care. Doesn't matter, because you have done your work. That's why you're here. Only thing that you need right now is self-belief, and that's it. Okay, so anything else you want to ask me, you can ask. In 1 minute I'll wind up the session. Okay, so this is it. I'll just check any comments if you are having. None. So that's it. Sai Darsh is saying, sir, thanks a lot. Sai Samarth Sudhindra is saying, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining in. Sir, I have a doubt. Okay, ask me your doubt. All right, tell me, what is your doubt? Sahil, thank you so much. Thanks, Ashitar. No problem, bacha. Sahil, come on, ask your doubt. Come on, bacha, ask your doubt, ask your doubt. I said I'll not leave unless you are satisfied. Ask your doubt. What is your doubt, Sahil? You're just saying, sir, I have a doubt. No, sir, bhool gaya yaar. How you guys are like me only. Bye, sir. Okay, bye, bacha. Bye, take care. Okay, good night. Have a good rest. I know you had exam today. prepare well tomorrow. I've given you a gap day strategy. Follow that. If you want, you have some other plans, you can follow that as well. But if you don't have anything, you can follow the plan I've given you. Okay. Bye. Take care. Good night. All the best. If you need me, leave a comment. If I can do and solve your queries, I'll do that certainly. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. Yes, Ashidar, Pakka 80. You should get it. Okay. You should get it. I couldn't do that 80 in my boards examination for 12 PU2 boards. You should do it. I'll say Ashitar's score is minus score. Bye, Ashitar. Bye, guys.